Set me free. Mida was you. Debut. Made the Wayiko. The victory. Yes, yes. It's another beautiful brand new Tuesday morning live on your family favorite radio station, Ahenkan 93.3. Yes, that is our frequency modulation. Some 43 minutes down, 6 a.m. Date check. 26th day of September 2023. Program check. Match. I don't pay say bibi abako de. Oh yes. Nyame adom. Ohun ya yenso ye ho ye. Ye koda se ufo na madom ni boburu hu so ama no pe wakan aka te asefo ho. Techere mada bogiem moja edi emu afrusane. I don't pay the accident na de money din kronkron no. On behalf of the solid production team in town. I don't pay ye chiamo. Niyama mo akwaba edi about the Tuesday edition of your most authoritative social, political and current affairs breakfast conversation. Over to me a friend say Eastern's official biggest, most syndicated breakfast show, Felix and Factual. Odi Ankan Kwame Yaboa, ono na ye executive producer. Adwempa Hene Kofi Mensa, a lead producer. Kobe K assist, also in charge of socials. Billy Man, and so na ye technician. And of course, I am privileged to be your morning's chef. Meeting Boba Ofuri Amanfo. I don't play me pacho kan journey with us and you will never regret. Victory. So UK for signals. Say one more at tuning in. It's me, I'm a personal manager. My personal manager. Your friend no Razak Madorges Abubakar our lease, you know, our United Kingdom. Or Hini Kurum. I don't buy a church ya lease for you na. Afi mu amu break chains Italy. OJ, only one crop for. We too much. Na sadi ani America kwa dia mahi ya nje. Enje ve join mo gra. Na say. Ava. Hey, 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 hey. Ain't Yechia Abruche for the diasporans. Yechia Munina Sana pay Mama Yanya signals and say much tuning in. A very good morning from my humble self, all the way from Ghana to you all. Yet I see me for making us your number one. It's my right down Ghana for more. One my acquaint or Wakanimu and into kemu.com, ifihot.com, jumemu.com, baby, my acquaint.com. We are so grateful for this honor. If I chose send you Wimbo Brand Sembisia Kone de Muno, Wadaro Mama Mimfa Emauna, and then on your tian say, Yegusue Queen and Nimuni, Ebehasi and Impenin Fonos Beboncomo, all the way from Ghana Meteorological Agency. Because ye nyan ntie se ensuo bi yiniti ensu kese bi yiniti ebeba parts of Ghana ebe experience ensuo no enti anopai after the amede ma woi ye be san company for hono during program no na ye ne mpanimfo nso akotwetwe nkomo na ya ginchirimu said ye yetete ne sa ne tia na ye se part of Ghana ene ye likely say ensu brantam bi etwiniti wo soro hono ibesane ama ye nyina yatimi experience bi how true ena etie ebrane so an ye be ko omo ahye ye ho na ye no abonkomo but in the meantime ni omo de ama ye no ma yemfa ma wo ose ye nka nkyerɛw sa no pɛyi tie anope ose ye nka nkyerɛw sɛ ahomakyene mu ho ba bia ni nsuo ni ye na dwene sɛ petepete kakra wo apue mantem ya yahoduo no ebi na saa nso so ena emia yahoduo bie ne de wo kyerɛ sɛ nsuo no ebemunumuna kakra a free non-son brum ekopim nondu or just say in soon any of fem we puemantem ya ahodo bebre no a ebemunumuna ebepetepete na mom a free normie and son on nine ho ede chrono or just say ewiem ebete and inti ya na wa hyene nso ede ama me bone tofa de ama wa anopai or just say puemantem ya ahodo bie ni soon any of fem emia ya ahodo bie ne de a free nondu brim ho chrono or just say ebepetepete kakra ebemunumuna nso so kakra emia ya ahodo bie no so awia no ebetwe ni ti kakra and inti ya na wa hyene nso edi amayen send you wimbo brebesi akone demu no wadaroma eno ene yadi mu ensem edi ama wa fe no adwene ye ne a eya na wa hyene nso amayen se Maakye your trusted breakfast show is airborne and inti you can tell a friend to tune in na mu nyina mo enjoy show no yeda se ye mo akwa aba ne ensan mo akye bi mu
Ghana adisiye obuoba ofore amanfo emamo ate ediba ahenkan na
Resurrection.
Okay, afei yemra fi ha no mo na ye di nyame asem no de aba ye di ba ofie edenti kan ho ne pe ba bi tina na ye nhya ase se ye bo ewram ne adi mu nkomo no kakra enra na asem no ye de bre wo ye pa ho entama na ne nyina ne se ye sire ye nyankopon se oma brabo mu pressure no ne twidin ye de anyia se bibi fa wo den ama tesa wo kira wadwen kra nye sa pressure no ena yempese ebefa yen aninti yesre nyankopon se mema oma brabo emu ekukuruhwi ase emu pressure emu adwumaden any whatever we be translated pressure ni bia no me de mti ase no awurade ma emfa yen na amayen anko ensohwem enra yesua niema ne bebre no a na enenso so yebehwe se yebesan de bible no atai akire na yakenkan kakra edi amawo anopai baby awo maye no mompaye ye na awurade ase se wahwe yen so abo yen ho ban Yakoda se ufo no wana madom so ama no pay ade papa eti sei achen wo ene me ene ti ba bia wo bia no na wo de aseda de ama Awurade din ebiem wa ma ade papa no anche wo nko a o achen wo ene wasefo because bepem sabre unya nte ko bia se bibi boni asi na sa bibi boni na unya enya ko bia mfiri ba bia se asi no eno na me ka kire wo se enya de enso a wo obete ko bi ana ubenya ko bi a ebetwe wadwen bi asi bibi so se bibi boni asi adentia sanse Awurade oka wo ho na onu nyame a wafiri niam papa ase no ode bekọ awie papa onu nyame a wamo akoda no asori asumdwem ya de papa no ode bekọ awie papa adentia no pa ye da ye Nyankopon no ase afei ye gyae yen anamontuo yakone aba ye pie firi ye mfiem akwa abonten no ye gyae de ahye onu Awurade nsa ena no asem o ka kire yen ne se na obebo yen ho ban yedi epie ene yedi ebem yedi fre ene yemfi bai mu obebo yen ho ban na enye yedi fre ne yemfi bai mu no nko asa akekewu ene obo yen ho ban yo obebo yen ho ban no aka yen ho yen kwanna enyinara ene ntia no pai ye gyae yen ho de hyewurade nsa se ono ne bambofo papa wo mmo yen ho ban ono na ye gyae efie no so twease bo de ama no na wabedi hene said ye na no onwomtuni ne to no nwom se na se ye ma Awurade kwan na obehyen efie num ye ma Awurade kwan na obeye efie no so twease bo a the chief cornerstone of your life no matter the storm, no matter how difficult life will become, because of so Nyankopon no yama ne kwan na be the chief cornerstone ti ye bedi nkonim anopai ma Awurade medi hene ewa aware nim, ma Awurade medi hene ewa adwumanim, ma Awurade medi hene ewa fie ho, ma Awurade ni hene ewa wabrabom ti ha senka yemu bi Awurade ni hene wa yabrabom a anka sabrenke ye koda dadadadada anka bia anka obronsama poison wo na senka yade bia bo ato akene baabi, but because Awurade ne ohenkese ewa abraboni mu nti no odi hene a oboye ho ban na sene na no oka kire David se David die ote se ekosua edamensem a obi ede ne nsa kano a ode ne nsa akame Awurade ani. David is a man after my heart. Nia Onyankopon kaye edifa David ho no enti yesre no yeda so agi sa atumi ne di so onko so a na yenso omo yen ho ban ye ne asefo ene ne ye kwa akoton oni animu ne yenko ye ba nso a oni ye mra oma no enye yen anansesem to se ye sorry se ye kono eni kohyia akwanhyia ye se ye kono eni kohyia eka oma ne nye yen story na mum oma enye yen story se ye ka se ye kono ye kohyia na ni onyam amene ya ya adefo amene adansidie ena agbuso ede ama yen. That should be our story. Eno ena ewo se eye yen senka ye ye wogidie se onu nyame a oye Nyankopon no obenyankopon no nkronkron Nyankopon no okan yen ho ene nti animu ngu ase da biara da driver ni a wo de ofidie ato ha no mo anopai Awurade kan ho wanim engu ase da biara da se ka na utwi ni nyawo de a me ka kire wo pain se boaboa wo ho se o to wankasa wo de Awurade be ka wo ho na onsa be ka wo de a wankasa kura wani enna ene nti onipa ne de na utwi no me pa cho di no kura fama no yiwa koma mu na ne nya dwuma na uyiwa koma mu di no kura eno na Awurade enso be fa so ahye wani onyam Awurade nka ho na adom no so mfa ma wo. Amen. Afei ubefa Bible no nya ko Genesis chapter 19 ye kenkai the verse 26 enra ena ye de asemi eba betu wanimu a na yegusua edwendwen ho a ye ka kire wo se na wotwe nso eyade a ye bese ye bre kakra wo ho na yetimi asua eyasem ya se mesimi bisa wo a efa lot yire ho a ubeka nsem bebre no a nanso watena ase ye analysis no watena ase bisa ho questions bebre wenya abotre kura kenkan ate ase senti a lot yire Onyankopon share won say opese oyi won firi won atamfo nsem oba besei kuro a wo mu ewom na o ka tere lot ene ne yire say ene na ebusunya say wo mu emfiri wo mu kuro Sodom ni Gomorrah ho na wo mu nko bepo bia onu awurade wo kwa akɔkyerɛ wɔn no nkonkɔtena hɔ. Listen to me. What na say bisa sada? No. But abribia no, the moment this story will pop up, wo conclusion is say Lord to yere eye sebi onibrefo. Lord to yere eye sebi dufude pefo oye asorbrachire ni. Si yesi ye gya wensem a wo beka no enye nsem ketwa, but wo se wo tena ase na ubisa wo ho se eba ne den ene obi a onyankopon aka kire won se munfiri kurei so na munkɔ ha me de ha na ekɔhyɛ mo nsa sansa me ba be se kurei eba ne den ene onyankopon no ankasa firi ne honhom mu ene na henie mu asi fam aba beka sa asɛmi na Lord to yere de obu so a akire yi odane enkyinisie. What na say bisa ho sa? Okay. Afi yɛntwetwe mra fam yɛmfa mra boabo. Yɛntwetwe mra fam yɛmfa mra ofo ase ayiribi. He, me pese wo twe ba fam na wo de be ben wo se ne be ya wo beti asɛm no ase. Emfa nkɔ akirikyiri. Lord mo de ne de esi ye. Ɛwɔ Israel baabi. Ɛnɛyi mienu ye ni ka sika, ye ni plane ticket sika. A de kɔ Israel hɔ no mo. So we should come back down here. Yɛmra boabo. Yamra achemodan bra achiase ofuase ayebi baabi a wo a wutie me no me pesa wo twe saa asem ne de ba fom e ba beduru baabi a wo no anopa yi abrabomu pressure abrabomu ahoyira abrabomu anitan abrabomu ekom abrabomu unnecessary challenge and competitions. Ama enkrofo the unthinkable things. And nearby you can phantom. That is what people are engaging. That is what people are involving. That is what people are doing. And they do it with a very high sense of impunity without even thinking about it twice. Abrabo. Emu pressure ama nkrofo ye niema otina asibisa ho say is this normal? It is not normal to you. Abnormal to you, but it is normal to certain people. That is why obete se yesi enne emaba wa bi omo ho ofe wa dress adan ya so ye slave queen adan wo de gym krofo kununom woni nkrofo kununom de da. Obete yesi obi bo tutu. Obete yesi obi ne nkraman na eda. Obete yesi obi nia onu nsoso ye no. Odwene ho a wonte ase o ton cocaine. Obete yesi obi ton Indian ham. Hey, si ye ka. Sometimes utimi tin sem ni bi. We bisa ho say oh ho. E de enkura na ekoso wo wiase. Papa na sem o kan ye o se nto wo ada. Ento wada hwe enkrofo na mabrabo a emu ye ya amene eniema bi omu dai na die no enya senketwa. But it is my prayer for you and myself, say urade bedoma boa yen na wa hye den se emu ye den se den abrabo ni mu ye den se den na ewo se yetwa nkontompo ansa na yadidi a. It is my prayer, said the Lord, who fed the prophet when he thought he had no one, that God will come and feed you. Ewurade Nyankopon sha aboa dene ema wade aduane e de kokoma odifo no a eduru baabi na na dwene se oni obi a ekom uku no eni nti obewu no Onyankopon a wono na obɔ kwan tu baabi akwan nie ebo kwan to baabi akwan nie de ma odifo no ema afei odifo no enya aduane diye anopa yi ena mabrabo no baabi a chinchim di afa ninti ebo sa Onyankopon hyefa wo ho eya wadwene se ya ye biribia wo anhwe ya na amam eni nti ama wutwa ntransa na wadidi wo ho ama wo badwaman ansa na wadidi obi sika bedi wo hokra no a wo make sure say wo di sika no betetetem di bia ye niema bi utimi tena ase bi sa ho se nti abrabo a mebo nteye obi atimi anom nsa saa ma etwa ne mfonini ono ankasa hunu se owuba but oni any option. The option is say e was say be onom nsa no san say otena ase na se wokakaya baby a no wonam wa brabo nim na brabo mu pressure baby adi na beduru a afutuo bie ni wonom a wo obetu no a obetie biem afutuo bie ni wonom a wo obetu ebewura ni tiri mu biem because ohunu ne se wapem. And into Israel for asem wo mo kan say when they got to Babylon they sat down and they wept. Why? Because they remembered the agony, they remembered the torture, the molestation in life. They remembered all that. And the Bible says they sat down and they wept. Sometimes ultimate na se ubu nkompon ko hewachi. Na o reflect on the past. How a wunya sika. How ye kan defo a na yetimi kan wo ka ho. But nei we free sa top ho na wa background zero. Eya sometimes a mind boggling. And into one hwe yi a eno ne be hyew am wa ye de enwo se wo ye. Lot yire na nkeka ne nko a anka onyame bo sa wo se no nka wadi so. But okai bra wa bre okai ahodie nyame adom woni ni kunu wo mtena kwawe no so wo mo abre na just a day abrabo mu akukuruhwi ase bi abrabo mu niema bi a ono krampo no have no idea whatsoever na e was what is adwapade nyame na dom oni ni kunu abrenya ni nyina di jaho he one ka be worse than she did. Me say wa nka be worse than she did. And it is a what will be as a nya botre wate. What will be as a na wo kan ye nya botre. Because people are going through hell. They don't talk. Sometimes abrabo imu pressure ni be mo aye no. You have no idea. Aropai yede na de ni nsu di si ha ebrebe mu anwa kenkan Genesis chapter 19 verse 26 aya na kenkan down ni ahwede ekokusi Kristo asumdwe nkan ho na adom no so fama wo ye je Nyankopon ba Nyankopon no nkronkron Nyankopon na eyire so kire so seden obeboa wo obekan ho obedom na unya wo ma watamfo da. We see a friend Stephen Apia watching you live. Ewo Komati, ewo Central Region. Anope yeda simia. Sports up next. Omu ya yebesamba. Ni abetwa so edi ama. Jo apo moko de.
Bibi fine obi.
Momi enkomrai.
All right. Anano pay adeshimamba Ghana mamba ya mamunyina kwa basurunku bi wembra hinkan 93.3 so yatenase agodie munsem ena yedi Asia we midin adi Joshua Kwabena ejenimi Yosef Ajin so no obetene nka memfasida ema Jubilee Hospital maso yasen ameda gudie mu nsem no enso ebrel dan nan ya bodon ya kache se oyare hododo ope arsabe ma ya sa yare ma yare wanyina atu ayira de no ne Jubilee Hospital yare bia attitude bia na fabre na afiyenhwe entu ase ntempa so emfa ema e bia yare wan emu aidin ope so obeda na doctors na nurse fu ejina so ehwewa sa kunya no enso eho afi bia on lab na pese oye busuano nyina no blood group join no unim obaso your lab ehu ne ekone ne eba ye wala about to honma sa one so no ye de eboa afi pharmacy ne enso aba ebie no opadro atonum da sa ho yare a your pharmacy kese e honum edura opato bia no ebi enso eho antenatal care no enso aba de ma ema na omo afafuro no ebi anyinsen no unyo hobby ede fa ho a brai na afi yenso no one time emfa ema afi postnatal care no enso aba wawawi akora ni wait no enkoye ondidiye onyinye odwen ho a ontiase otiase enso a ondwen ho afa danye na afi ema oncheche na oba no so no onyi engina brane na bibia nso enkofan emfa ema theater ho nti surgery na so operation bi na pesa ya for asemba danye na afi yenye na eche nso enye din maternity ne aba ede ama emma no mafo flu no afro no chioma ye de ultrasound na fe electrocardiogram machine enso aba we ni scan biabi ye twa bi enso e de amount mamonya prostate mamonya dunsom yade no mobile scan no betwa ne kama a woni tuam na bibia nso akoye e de amount yade bi achew eneyi odwen wa onti ase usuro sobedi nkomo e de akire onua ebia eneyi ukodi nkomo da akire onua ochina bi no na onsem e da bonten fadan Jubilee Hospital ye council unit no na fe yanka emaw na akire nso enye di na fe sa oha na twere obo no ye ntu ase emfa emaw wani ina ohwadia unhu na eneyi wani no wamba nsa na marudin aya odin pa wani na ya oya esu ye kusukuku ene ohwadia unhu me ba chofa bedan Jubilee Hospital ye eye clinic no na fe sa oha no ye ntu ase emfa maw diabetes and hypertension for no so ne fele no pa bia no entakire enso ekoso e de mamo afi canteen wo ho se wo peduana pomdi wom ato dia e bia no meat pie any drinks bi na opato pastries na opato bia wo didie bebe pm Jubilee Hospital canteen no na fe yembo se wo ba na so kita insurance nso dia ye beje na ya hwoyi odan babu road dia so amantra bridge so honom enewo 0244 5575799 0244 575799 and 0241 784645 na onia enso edi enkomo enche na schools ni ebie enti wakola no anasa wo yakola obabe ko school wo pe textbooks exercise book ruler anasa nde no mathematical set pen pencil sharpness crayon poster colors anasa clear back collection through office pins cardboard formica board eraser and graph book dia kopiem Bloom's bookshop me kanfo dia ma ye no mane bo form say textbook na opato say aye KG nursery primary JHS anasa SHS dia for asembedan ye na fe textbook a opato bia no ye mo abinato na bibia nso enkofa enfama ye no mane bo form e so ba akachi a wholesale price na ye ton enso edi amount afemo am offices no momfa mo business embre na afi yenhwe na ye ne mo enye ne kama na bibia nso enkoye achimdan opposite Ghana Commercial Bank car park no honom ena obehu ye 0244 293 632 0244 293 632 and 0203 083 731 na only Bloom's bookshop and sanitary and so edin komo na bibia akofine edi amal Festus Enterprise Emma efia de Emma awofo akafie Emma nkola eni akafie emma so no weekends draw Emma ya tenafie ahwebo ni bi ma bibia nso akoye edi amayen meka kosi say open multi TV say open DSTV say open Star Times Canal Plus any AD Plus combo no makacho se eso de papa bisa kofi mians modi ho adanse nti kwaji bi wo Festus Enterprise na bibia nso enko fine enso emfa emao enya no nko a ebia TV na opato bia opes Hisense Asano LG na se Samsung dia brand biabi ebi Festus Enterprise so ave TV 1 month and decoder sans nso die bebrina enso aba ebia TV no anase decoder no brother asai ne remote no opebi atwa ode be dan ya ibonya bi enso aton edi amount afi wo bi adwuma ko bi office bi na ubi ankrankran na ope AC enso edi aboma hospital biabi AC ni type no ibi enso ho brand biabi bonya bi ato Festus Enterprise unso brother nemum asai to safa friend na fi embese ni kama emfa emma yani ultimate sport no na ebo nhwanim now na next Paris afi yesanso eben shell filling station no achim oda 0244 515 849 0244 515 849 and 0269 305 785 0269 305 785 na onye edi enkomo beni tomaoli na fe Raymond Asheterat e produce show no
Yanshan semna se ndano pay enchase emfemfi cycling for aso na kopiem de na se nkomo ifo no mo eba ende ano pay NS Cycling Federation was Ghana hanu se ni kopiem a na se report ifo no mo eba NS kasama for pay fe Dennis Moore wade nsem kakra de agya oso be piem okromo Ghana ya ade cycling for de yomumu obia enkomo sem emfemom ensem twofo kwatena se na so mo ka eyagudie hu nsem a na se football na ene nkrofo eka ministry ediska ewremu a na say football na ɛna this kind of enso ewremo na cycling for no kopim say bebre na ɛna aye bia nyeska enso ɛde abobra say so ani yie pa ɔbɔ abrantie fe Anthony Boachidin wase abrantie cycling ya ɛna say ɔde yedidie ɔde asidan ama no maame ɔde anema pi ɛni tie mra so say ɛwɔ say yɛbɔ ho dewuro na afre discussion na ɛma cycling no so no enya mpempen so pa enso egina
the Ubia radio, the beer and the Pico, the beer, and the like blaster, the chance of folk, Yemian, Kotoko Heart, meanwhile, the other sporting disciplines are said, Media, any Komi Pana, Mijiri, almost the Agonson, almost when you begin from Edda Bomb of Lucian, may say, oh, yeah, and yet only about say, what got the cup, what they be, what got the gold, bronze, what they be, brother, what goes on the W, and the enemies of them, oh, yes, for Mr. Emma be the Edda Kufi, for example, here were one cyclist, Ochimaye, national, two cycling, were sit down at the money. This is what I call a medal. This is what I call a trophy. When a minimum say a medal, Mammy just say Nebano through cycling, Nebano 89 at the mano. Master, I never let way, but oceans of nations be or moving on magic 20,000, 30,000, 40,000 without even helping those or more from our municipal. Master, it's dangerous.
We koma na esra pa fane Dennis Moore erejai ende anopai
yen free cycling mu na yempie mu our Ghana football akachi unim say amomram de babo ntena nanka enra ena aye elective air congress ena afe elections of presidency ena elections of executive council members GPL division 1 league any women's premier league no nanka ochina na batuo no enso ebaso ntimnu ka say de sisi amprempren de e de atabo da so nti yenim da yeto abano na obeka ya yebie forms no anase GFA elections ebaso no papa ni din e de kodo yanka ebeka kire ye say e ya de GFA elections no e de ono so ebaso bi na fe mpanifo ahwe atwabama no na obeye president enso da Ghana Football Association papa yi or former Western Regional RFA chairman osanso your former GFA ESCO member na papa echeche mu ye fa forms nyina wie na ne din enso enka ho o se ket osuro enuti na ne otwen eye date eye of eye submission of forms no enso ediba enim no
se bi fi America na me be there be baba contest mbe ye bibia wi na me kwel my program in ada dem day na me back to Ghana and I had a lot of things to do in America nti my menya ma date there dem date na me wi bibia my 25th na me sigan because we elections in by October nti ebia by that time na more road map na baba obakura maybe obe a month for the submission of the forms na nti ma calculating bibia echi roadmap be just 1 week for submission of your nomination. Say, this thing Kate is just scared of me. He's scared of me until why I deal with because so I can't come and do and file my nomination. I can't come. Election committee so for me a long time ago. Or for me election committee said 1 week or say 1.5 weeks na roadmap in the Babonti. Yenya will chroma catch him some boy. You be such major elections. The president of the Ghana Football Association. And so we form election committee like 5 months. Now roadmap ever out. Achakra aye we are 3 months as a roadmap in Baboti. Now obia the planning na life. Now for to be for roadmap in a week. Now say closing of nomination. Hey mafia tactics. Osro he was scared. No, yes, I know. He was scared. On person will be able to contest me, soon. No, yes, sir. So no, yes, I didn't.
Enti Kojo Yanka, former Western Regional RFA chairman, Osi, Ket Osrono, Anuntina, or a date of submission of forms no, Ediba, and Nim. No, America, into Ntimi Ember and the minimum year, and Sans Ember submitted in the forms.
Yandani Enfrone and Conco Piemo or Hearts of Lions in Swasoye and Che and Abukwe Ebe Piemo or Bepa Ghana Premier League Gimasi and Pempamuka say Omujama Omusi Aya Kandi Binano and I say Iboramu and Yano Omo Piero and so Kodin Kumaka Brandt Fan Stephen Butchie Evo Kodin Komo and if a Brandt Fan Kofi Stephen Hall if it's an annual Betobia Sa Brente or Mokampa and Chebia Nanko the pen Asin Krata so Asan Contragino and Abokuno and Chebia and Sati Sa Brente Eremu our Chim Dan Kutukura sinimwa impempe menu kase oni kutukura ena edi dwuma na no ana botwedi ajaye wase branche no ebaye omne to eyenso ne yeso no na ese plans egu monim no na branche no onfete enu ti ena motumi enso ansign no
we have structures here, and then we have systems, as in the club has systems, and then a type of play. After a few months of trials with us, we saw that he wasn't fitting into the system. So we had to speak to him for him to continue with his play at Kotoku. So, system it will be very difficult for him to get playing time. So it's best if he looks for another opportunity elsewhere.
And so and Samana se kasama for and my heart of line bubukuna branch fan Stephen Buchi edeja enano pay.
Ona any president Adema Mediama Sporting Club I am Moses Amapakadoro na born in Samana friend Mos Park. Na onimisa ni team Mediama Sporting Club Saturday omujina kono awugo kopiem omkopiem o Guinea na omni Horoya SC enso ede aboni way qualifiers ayebo ede akopiem o Champions League group stages na yade first league no enso ebaso e Ghana Cape Coast Sports Stadium ama Mediama edi nkuni mekani miesa Horoya fo no omuti kanu baako enumu na Moses Amapaka preparation towards the second league no ochema or say aban support on paye na corporate bodies no ebi ada o GDS still na ebi nam council a omo eba na osibi bia dunu de aka one step na money zone omo awram nti okache Ghana fo nyina say team no betu afi Ghana Thursday na afi makopiemu ewo eye Guinea na game no enso asase Saturday okache Ghana fo nyina say Mediama omo qualify kopiemu the group stages of the CAF Champions League.
Yes, Yamiadom, the like I said, a bank pay Chilean Quadia, and I said Quadia and the corporate bodies be or mother, said Musugusoba, because results in the Usha Abba, aka one step, now Yamiadom near crossing, Yellow crossing. This week, Yamiadoma, Thursday, team the 12 feet in crime. I could do Guinea. Now you prepare for match na baba so Saturday. Ya me ya doma team will never qualify akoyenim because you be see Tigana.
We President Adema Mediama Sporting Club Moses Amapaka.
Yenremu enso awaye out here. Na nkodi nkuma kanso memforma mfama endano peda na so kopiema report informo enso eba enesa nanu ada kwasi ada game kase todwa ewo suyan eye connection park no so a no me bofakota no ene ede kobbo ni na 90 minutes ni ba wie no na se bofakwa ati ebubo kwefan atu abone academy no awmatimu bako na no ene so mo da sore ya omo se referee no ekokwaje penalty bi ewo 86 minutes omo de omo hwa na se emu owiram se niam enkoyie ene Ndano pay ama bonkrata enso kopimo ewo review committee of Ghana Football Association aso ye so mo twa pa fan Eric Sifa entry enso mfan medina nimu na se ensem no ebotia ne dia na se pay omo ko enso akobono na fei amo yino enso kwotranche akra na dati bi osanso beto so se de beye ohu ade a obehwe ne ye na bia enso akoye ade ama na so pan performance de na se na no ada no omo hwem a na se pa no okoye se okwakobo boku a ye fa ne bofakota no a na do pemedi mu nseni bi no
Ghana Premier League no match day 2 game baku ebukemu enra ye peprechire efi Wafa Parks gakopenio ayade aboboko FN Accra Lions etna fie echi Legon Cities ebo mekanim baku a Legon Cities enso entimi anti Evans Bokwe aya branch a 14 minutes no onya goal enso edema Accra Lions boboko no enmu na Chastera enso akasa ade afa Ghana Premier League no kotoko ena afi has player na FN Kasara Ramos no boro osa branchen onimbo ni bo papa ato folk omunya wingers a omudi bo epipe opponent a branchen be deliver more enso adababo ko fan Accra Hearts of Folk osi currently we out of folk squad kitom sisi ade a untimi mfa league club bia wo Premier League no and compare Hearts of Folk ikita the best squad our league no Charles Taylor in commune
enkasa keke yenim quality e prayer ho yebenya omo betuma produce more yaman obetuma deliver more because all ye prayer wuture the movement omo pass awonyina fafun omo pass na odashi entina meka House of Folk e say nya wins a omunya bo a omo de beko more no my pull out and as my man konim the world position ho enti wa nya ne sa na say ye boni say ya say bia ye cross e bia ye gina ye boni say obeka say bia meka say the second match obenya go fi say ne ball obenya goals more has team na ekuta say ye kapa the whole premier teams now on boss is here no omo no kuta team a omo ye solid from omo defense midfield and attack.
Enti wei eye Charles Taylor odna no si no kopiemu Kumasi Metema Sanu Groboko no se nanu ada lose na ba ne de enya de so ani kra na okache aye coach Prosper Nate Ogum say onhwe ye se wanhwe ya second coming na waba no Jesus Christ kwa second coming no nyamba e be disgrace resource mu no e de ama ono enu tin onhwe ye na fe place bi a onhwehwe mani minim we nti bebobo minim we ba na bebo no o se wanhwe ye na wantu sa nyoma na se a second coming ne de ye hu Prosper Nate Ogum ye kra
kotoko etima o bana se wanye wo ye on say bia place bi wo yi o ma firim di bia ba e be difficult ama kakra wa ma nani amre a e de de se wasaba back to kotoko ba on hwe ya results no benya no e be po e wo no ne career so wa hwe ya no de nema di agura oguma me hu no na hwe bi eni ba o ni ba bia no go stars na hwe ba bia no go stars ye se o mo be hwe o man ka so mo pedro mpo o mo di time we so pen win and ye draw woni de ntia abasa because last year o mo kan sem bi basa asem no ya ogun ni manko okoba kotie sa asem na players ne kan ye se kotoko ni ye edin eso sin go stars but players in o mo ye better sin kotoko so aja se nti obi kan sem we na woni kwahye no first na so o sa ba biema won tena se be hye no ogun ba no aba no wan hwe ya wan fa ne na nsi form na ojeja no kakra bia obese kotoko me na me ka kire one I was so ye straight this time I was so or focus say or prepare mo say every game be out to say win because players bi wa say onimu mo e na ono mo ane ba sa ne ma no wo de ye team a e ma team no e bre papa ki me ka kire no so on fair no on fair Saturday match no on kono on hwe ne back no hu say team no problem on so we say problem na san wa continue
okay
we Charles Kwaku Banye Sampon Taylor nkomo na aba no
yende ni na fe yemfro ne nkonko piemu enso awa benase red talent boboku ne nkoni nkomo mfro no mo emfamo enaro penense boboku no dia oye coach team no enso ne dia eye esabrante fe no eye Danso Richmond na Richmond Danso ne nsem kakra dia ja waso ba Ghana na so kwati team dia se oni sika puduo egufie ana se oni sika bi gu bank dia ene enya dia adwuma no obetuma ye ne na ya ne kina na se okwerere ne bowie mu no nya credit ba na fe de kwere team nim okonso a bibia emfrimu emfemba Chelsea mpinfo embom na fe eniama ba ku mienu bi a ono be ka wona bia koye dia mom no enkoye emfa emom
the hard dream part to me is sponsorship. So sponsorship one of the biggest problem I face you have. The football you want also sponsorship on camera. On it you need drink. It's a major money drink. Me the challenge I mean who is a drink sponsorship. I got a businesses kakara over na be also said you should be big kakara. So the abiship. We also are individual persons what town do at it near quite matches work here. No my donation kafanom da support a cafe na because na that team no be bia dey ya na ye bibia I don't know my juma na dey pama
so sama enso ko piemu abenase red time bobo mu a papa e fa na Danso Richmond enso di aja
Elite Cup no ekoso chebi na odoni chiemu group B na adia enra games no ebi eba so Life Now FC omo eche Kofrodia Sempefi ebo mekani miensa ama Kofrodia for na antimi anti susubribi omo bounce back omo shekanim en9 editi Storm Academy ama Storm antimi an Storm susubribi antimi no kase di adia group B no Storm Academy enfa won se show no omo qualify na fe Life Now Academy so omo qualify afro ni chiema teams omo qualify group A no Okwa United ene Achimda Kotoku Royals na qualify draw na eba so ene pe fuma babia no ochina yedi munkra na ebeba bejao
yene ni enremu amano ne na fe information se ne ankopon aduma etodwa enanumre no emfanguo emfamao ye shase eda free French League ene Lili Matropole Trefi one Reims eboni 7 pm game no enso etodwa enremu Italy na se Juventus enso Trefi one Lecce enso ebo Spanish La Liga Sevilla Trefi one Almeria eboni NF 7:30 pm no Malaysia Trefi ene Barcelona ede eboni
ubepiem bibrema ayadia qualifies ekoso na we mano Afcon no ye fan Alcon the qualifies na ekoso ene games brina enso ono Ghana ye gina kono ene Kenya ene Cameroon ebo Ethiopia ene Burundi na ebo afe Tanzania ene Ivory Coast Botswana etna finoni Gabon ade awentam so Mauritius anase yes Mauritius ene Guinea ebo, Congo any Guinea Bissau, Liberia any Cabo Verde ebo, Sansuna Niger any Tunisia, Togo any Djibouti, Benin any DR Congo, Burkina Faso any Eswatini, Afe Mali any Central African Republic, Algeria any Uganda and so ebo Ghana yetenase Accra Sports Stadium na any Rwanda ede aboni first league no yes Rwanda for eka enson etimi esure se we die ye qualify akoyenim
yenani enremu Madrid neni komafama ene anopenesa Brentford fan Xavi Alonso papa coach na nsama eba enso sese Yakopon ayadom na Carlo Ancelotti eja bokoro ede kodia papai ene won hwa ba kwa Madrid adwuma no na obo ede amom
Jean-Pierre Arsenal reporter yensa can say January almost money one no na say striking position no omo problem on papa and in January omo PM Brentford Abrantia ye fan Ivan Toney omo ko na be PM Arsenal be bia so akoye e de amom £60 million any sika e da Brentford fan Ivan Toney so
Vinicius Junior ekoko prayer na Brentford reporter todwa and say Enra Osase enso eye training no e ma Madrid bo ko say likely say Yakopon ayadoma na say weekend games ahodo adom anim no Brentford between so bounce back e be sia kan e Madrid boboku no
Marco Cucurella player osia kan de ma Chelsea boboku no somewhere last season na Chelsea for almost a branch from Brighton and Hove Albion a branch this season onya EPL game bakokra emboy ona umpraye na ado ni chema EFL Cup na obobi against Wimbledon and a branch nya bi boye na Premier League mu de a branch enya bi mboye a branch akatolisi sia de dondo afonte guarantee ya January obe prima kope club bi no abo na be bianso akofan ede amano reporter yensa akane se boboku a ye fe Real Madrid e was Spain omisa branch Spain ni bre na ba de penesi aka efama ye
Liverpool asaya Brentford fan Costa Stimakers aya Brentford Senekan and ma boku fan Liverpool boku na reporter todwa and say Enra or the penalty character so 5 years contract was signed Edema Liverpool boku no
John Terry also a former player at match Chelsea. Nazizia Saudi Arabia for the some see players na transfer window no yatuma coaches and sporting director nso de omu nya entumo Anthony John Terry report your second so no so Euromu out Saudi Arabia club by friend El Shabab okwa sporting director Eddie Amon.
Ne Euromu out Manchester United reporter todwa and say Brentford fan Jadon Sancho ne sia de mpinfo Eddie Tabo Eddie atunu so enya de Brentford no 20 grounds okobie afi dining room no Brentford no entumi nkwatenase enkodidi efisisi amprempram no kasa de one Eric Tahang no eniama enkoyie enso emfa momo na no pe de mu komo no e de agyaw
ebeto dwa se Neymar ni team El Hilal na enanam krom se wa reporti omo head coach George Jesus ana mampeni wasn't penny for omo sakwa pay enfi club no vi se ohun papa no oye Neymar babontin abeka se sansem nyan se tibia entro na fake news ono Neymar on kanchi obia se papa oye manager Edma El Hilal George Jesus no yen sake no
kamera even say na
na wrestling baso up top stadium February 24th 2024 next year. And about so name Dwayne Johnson.
Yeah.
Name Dwayne Johnson, The Rock.
Yeah.
She said actor you can kake sepan we are sepan me say you see there you know. Ai na penifo so mo hwe nim na WWE Elimination Chamber no or the aboni one undisputed world champion Roman Reigns.
Yeah.
Na able. It's a open wrestling
papa. Na me hwe pa.
With 2 yard.
Na say na say. O ya choka krafi say me hwa na emza ya me ho bia. Me fancy so.
Chejwe hana betim na aboni pa.
Oh, apuzo mu say ne boba no. Ene Nelson. Oh.
Eti WrestleMania idea bounce back Australia na Optus Stadium Petri honum na sa jumadi no enso eba so mo hwe nim zado maton da man pafoforo njo mo so mo hwe nim se chase no Dwayne Johnson The Rock one Roman Reigns na di eboni WWE Elimination Chamber no emu njo report no so no efi wrestling eba erimu nkomo na edi ejaye disia na captain in the morning atwas midin ade Joshua Kwabena Jeremy Joseph Fajiri Oteninka Raymond Acheteruat ene Benito Mauli enso eboni bibia ebesumo ene anopei ye kwedie Mr Ebuni Forsen ewo eye achiase aye say nchakese nkonfama afi Mr Kwesinyako Nana Emmanuel Ajekum Ofie unyina Reverend Emmanuel Kwabena Obendo Mpre ena afi eye Reverend Efren Kansa munyina ena anopei ye chiachiam nyina ye disia captain in the morning wobo for ya manfo over to you.
Adisiye obuoba ofore amanfo emamo ache edeba ahenkan 93.3 FM. Obuoba ofore amanfo emamo ache edeba ahenkan 93.3 FM.
That's right. Yeah, faster than confirm the sports team. Joshua Kwabena Ejenim. One Kofi Ejiri AJ. Yedonga se Ben Mawuli. A produce you on some 35 minutes into 7 a.m. Marching. I don't need you made in your frame or Boba Ofori Amavo. I am watching and swam. I say streaming live. Our in social media handles in Facebook, YouTube. Koho. Now for our comments or sentiments. Funny in a go. Now for yanking kind embrace him. Obey me so they are fan normal SMS and I say WhatsApp. 0533898915 0533898915. Oh, Nyame Oshira wo. Nipansahe Agunde I don't see faster than confirm the Heritage Christian University College. I don't pay your same control. Say where we senior high school. Now pese wo kotwa usuku so. What to two any young who baby was a would defer. Me patch me come for Heritage Christian University College at the amount of pay. Ya one crying. I'm a Saman Olympic Stadium Nechi Honoma. A patch be Brian Washington so see affiliated to KNUST. Samsung accredited by the GTEC and it say Oba Honomoa. And Kratowns have a Yabudin Krata Ninano, Nina Yajatum. BBA programs, no, your options in Bibri were haunted your pen or fat. Your accounting with computing, accounting, marketing, human resource management, business information technology management, your entrepreneurship and technology innovation, BSc nursing, BSc information technology, BSc information security, Bachelor of Theology. Nina were haunted your pen or fat. Samsung our 12 months specialized master's degree programs and also our MSc accounting and taxation, MSc accounting and finance, MSc human resource management. Your professional courses be to say ICA, CIMG, CIHRM, ICM, and any akaka ho nyina media courses and also trading entrepreneurship training, financial support, one student, one laptop, terms and conditions apply. Affordable and flexible fee structure scholarships and so available. Mepacha Ukra Wasi, ABCE, GBCE, HND diploma. Obetumi apply. Se uni certificate ni be still. Obenya kwenya. Obe apply say mature student 25 years and above. We are now dial star 789 star 300 hash. Now if you want our online serial number, visit your website at www.hcuc.edu.gh. Not just a while apply. Oberfred Director Conrad Kakraba, it was 0202 259. Mami San Fabium 0202 298399 0202 298399 and a 0547 77 77 31 0547 77 77 31. Heritage Christian University College. A university training people for the future.
Ghana adisiye oboba ofore amanfo emamo ate edeba ahinkan 93.3 FM.
Meda se afei akwabwa de no fatumu na afei yemfa no so mpra kwan mu na yemra emmefa wo dachi nti enso so emfa ema ho anopa ye ni nipadua kasa ye ni nipa edi nkomo tie we nso so uye nipa tie we nso so
Watimi wakami bebrebe umayenya na yemfa odontina wati unia na yesie no chami ade potia ode koye onipa mama hu sukuntan ya yenya nchirewo na yenya kesesemu na dasama yakwa bidaya ni mo liba ye kre muko sikaya ye kre muko na munya die ya ye kre muko na suye mfankoshi ajabade nyina ye kre muko ye kre muko bedane ye kre muko na suye mfankoshi
that's right. So switching to the brighter side of life, we a free Kobe K, I'll say happy birthday and confirm money JHS classmates. I'll sign a best female friend. Alberta Mafo or Odan. Jesus is the answer enterprise. Odan salvation. And Potable Hormone so a glorious happy birthday going out to you. Alberta Mafo Odan. Jesus is the answer enterprise. Odan salvation. Live long and prosper. And of course, live to be 93.3 and beyond. Girls for dancer. Boys for dancer. Old ladies for dancer. Old man for dancer. Dancer for MP. Ede na krokratia gu nkrofo so. Send ya konya ni o mabusu ya konya. Can you imagine this? Hey. Ye kremukko. Akonya ya. Enko babia. What the better ho? Ahinie no. Sika bebrebe no. Wo dwe, o ja wasem. Wo dwe. Ade.
Ghana adisiye. Boba opore amanfo emamo ate edeba ahenkan 93.3 FM.
Na assembly for no ye cheche abon. Bremu Central Municipal Assembly, Mama Victoria, no pay. Mama, good morning. Bigidi se bibi abako de. Na yatesa bese na awotwim yenu nie. A4 sheet assembly mu nibi. Mama Vic, sanet ye. Ana etidan. A4 sheet ya motworo so assembly. Yatesa bese na awotwim yenu nie. Mo akasa kwa mo fam ani hunu bi da. Hey. Hey yo. Yeah ba. Messi ene mu be ye adwuma. Atem da constituency. Ye ene mu be ye adwuma nkasa. Ye kre mu ko. Enti ye bisa say assembly no yese be say na wotwe yenu nie A4 sheet we be Facebook for no we be A4 sheet the trotro so no ne yen ya trotro enkasa fabrics di agusu a mebeka ho asema kire we yesi be se na awotwe mienu nie Bremu Central Municipal Assembly ye maame mama Victoria eda ano be se na awotwe mienu ni yesi A4 sheet omu hunu bi da no kore ana yesi asa munhu bi da no kore ana honorable Clement Atefa sa wo ye PM wo ho no kore Jesus Aludina Abolunga Awidiba oso abo be medin yate mo fanye A4 sheet to yesi mu ni bi no kore Yademo Aje
Ghana adisiye Oboba ofore amanfo emamo ate Edeba Ahenkan 93.3 FM
Yebebaso my enquire ni na fe yemfa woda chinti obra kwenti afutu na de su ewom ni yemfa ma Eugene Nati wote me nka me ma good morning ma me nte wonka oman hene the great oman hene anope won so me ma good morning wo green pharmacy adwumefo e wo ho abrante ba ko a enano me ba ho no mo ye wa ma me ade ni bi mani age de friend sen oman hene ena hajia no a kwakuku sise de yebempo a osi nanim ye den Woda chinti obra kwenti afutu na de hyen wom ne brena so na maminsan ebiem emisa Bremu Central Municipal Assembly yesi be se na awotwe mienu ni na awotwe mienu 2 weeks A4 sheet monfa mani hu bi da no kore ana se monfa mani hu bi da de ya yebesere mo nkonkotobi because assembly de eni atwotworo ne nam it is a muni bia monkonkotobi na we ya ye bisa ne boko sei no ye san ba bi mu yimisa ne boko because assembly no mojeje to nti A4 sheet de mbetimi ato nti sasa na ne na sede ye wo se omamoto foforo no so o ma adwuma a wo de yesere no onfre na onkyere ba bi esika ne hye yebeku yi akoto A4 sheet no because ye no credit a eya werho se ye no credit a eya werho eyenim guase enso se Bremu Central Municipal Assembly kakaka yesi hoi A4 sheet muntimi nto aba ede kra asebnie odi me ba mi wuremu ho no mo aba me koba na setisa yede mo odi yemfa woda chinti nto asoma
woda chinti
medase a anope woda chinti yesi avoid the spirit of the peacock. Avoid the spirit of the peacock. Edo peacock ni ye de ade ye frɛ no atebukoko na sa peacock ya ye ka ne ho asɛmi ne ho ofe papa oye sa aboa no okay oye namesake mpo namesake mate eya na wachia no edi amame no wadwuma mu de peacock ye freno atebukoko ewutwi kasa emu na saabo yi a ye freno se atebukoko a na se peacock no Bible aka ne ho asem kakra oko James chapter 4 verse 6 James chapter 4 verse 6 eka peacock ho asem but ano pay me dofo ye bi di peacock ne ho nkomo na ye di atoto ya brabo ho na ye bi se ye ho questions kakra peacock aye kana sem ye busia obroni se oye arrogant oye self-centered debia opese o show off opese o manipa nyina hunu se o wadwapade senka ko bike ba ya anko de sa peacock ya ye ka ho asemi anko odi bi mfoni de to ade yi so ma wo hweye oye arrogant ahomaso oye self-centered pesemi nkuminya debia nso opese o show off se o wadwapade na abribia onyaaya anka ono pe ene yem kana sem ne yen kana sem papa onyaaya anka ono nko a wedi oye o wedi onu de bia yen ka obia ho asem biem na onyaaya anka de bia ewe ono pe ne ye recognize no ne acknowledge no wedi ene ho ofe wo ye tenten wo wabusia wanionyam position wei osatade e fata no onye nka de bia peacock no atebukoko no onyaaya nanka de bia nkoma yi difa ne ho nie se bia waba na wabetese ye bo obi din tade anope ye bo dense din kire se omupe wo mumpe akonwa no no so betena so bi se MP no omutia omumpe onyaaya nanka de bia nanka wono ne yemu ne din onyaaya nanka de bia ona dibre ne ye ne dia onyaaya nanka de bia wono na ye bo ne wo se ye peacock womo echre minima yesei mi achievement mi wosika mitimi kula hwa odi ahenkan mu nyina odi ahenkan so oni hwe mitimi hwa hwe no mitimi ma na aduane di me na metaduane ma ni di me na me di atare kura ma odi ahenkan hye na ne nkrofo no me nko betimi atuo mu nyina aka enum dwa kasa saa wo ye peacock na tie ha samwa no ye peacock aye kana sem yi no de bia ne kasa ye me ne di ba asem nie ene de bia me oye peacock ye frɛ no atebukoko opani me se obetimi anka odi bi ba beto ayi ne so de mayen hwehwɛ peacock no enam sane ho ofe na owa no de enti enche otumi ewia nkrofo ba na fa na mo a obewia mo ba na fa mo nso mo be kana sem se o chale unua menye pese mi nkominya e wo sa wodwia foforo nso ho wo no onye wa ono be jadamfo ye peacock asem na meken onde de bia ka ne nko anaka de bia ye no obo ye bo bi fufuro din ka ne ho a na ye ne ya se ye bo bi fufuro din se hwe ukwa hinkan wa boys ne yade wo mu yade ni ebubo mu din no otese ya bo we din ya na ne ya ade ntini ya ma ono nso din oye peacock na eno na no pay mahye de nya abotra me chirichiri mu di a kirewo na me wi a me di Genesis chapter of friends in James chapter 4 verse 6 edi atat for the ama obi be say James me di James chapter 4 verse 6 no edi atat for the amount wa bra branch nsu guso o hwehwe peacock no no odi bi edi atoso amount na sa peacock no a o ya atebukoko no enam se na tebu edosu nti otumi ehane ni nyina o erect no na odeba ni e ma ne fans ye ni a openo no on de bia opese oye the center of everything inti peacock na ayi atwe bia to so no nka wunya ba kwa wa hane bi nso a ana eno abeba okay ni wa hane bi na abusuan nso atimi ahwe peacock na eno na James chapter 4 the verse 6 ka say God resists the proud but gives grace to the humble. God resists the proud, but gives grace to the humble. Onyankopon wanga woma won ho so no wo po won na emom odena dom edema wona wo bere won ho ase. Aha, enti wo say de waye no di say de wa hane na tabu ni mu no wo na chi bia wo fans waje o hane mu sei a wo gina na chi no yenhu ne awon so ya bodin anka on de nkade bia onu din ne yemmo on de nkade bia wono ne yema ne fans Uma obi foforo fans ya so wompe. Ye friend Peacock Atebukoko. Oda chinti. Se suban wei. Ye mo me nko amidin. Me nko an ye ma me fans. Me ne maye wei. Me ne maye wei. Me de me ho ofe. Me de me wodan. Me wo sika. Me wo dwapade. Me yesei. Me tebrofo. Me tu kwan. Me wura ha. Ma sin ha. Me pie ha. Sa de no. Oda chinti. Anopai. Eye honhom bone. Ye say avoid it. Avoid that spirit. Eya honhomboni. Bompa ye ka kire urade. Se bi wo mi mu, se metese ye ma menua fans na ayem ya hoye a eya honhomboni urade entutum firi mi mu. Sanse onipa. Ye ma me gin nahe e wasase so. Enti we je fans kakra, nu ya je fans kakra. Na de o si de bia nko an ye ma fans. Se nye yie sa o. Peacock ehonhom sa na tie ye frɛ no Atebukoko ohane na tabu ni mu a ase me wadwapade me ho ofe obi ama enti basa no omo egina na chi nyina ye hu omo mpo ene abomudin eye honhom bone se wote saa ye gbo nua baso na se ye wo ya eye honhom bone e wo se wo sira wurade na otutu firi wo mu na ohunu wo mobo. Peacock spirit, avoid it. Erade nka wo ho na dum no so mfa ma wo. Oda chinti ma unwia ne celebration wani nye ho. Odi ka wo nko ananka de bia eye wo se promotion aba adwumam na ye ma wunwia promotion. Uhuna na obufuo pom papai. Asori dem yesi ye pejankrofo amoma be ye Dickens ne elders. Eni ebobo ya na ebobo nkrofo din eya wo ya si ya bo nua no din apagya o debrem na ewi ase no wo nko a si ye nyina tu firi mu ne ye de mawo a obetimi atena mu obetimi nko a obetimi wa ho erade nhunu ye mobo ye da chinti sa honhom ye honhom bone Peacock spirit no e honhom bone erade nhunu ye mobo yi ne wonye ye mfamfiri mu ye da chi enti. Amen.
Ghana adisiye oboba ofore amamfo emamo ate edeba ahenkan 93.3 FM.
Metiasi uri minka bibe wama wabesumiana Watimi wakami bebrebe mumayenya na yemfa otontina wati Uniana yesiena no Jamia de potia o de koye.
Wampashi.
Onipa mama umusu.
Kuntai. Ode kwehe.
Yenya nchirewo.
Au. Yenya kasesemi.
Nada samaye kwa mida yanimo.
Enkasa fabrics semi kanche so be mo atade papa se. O ma fabrics ne papa bi. Na wo de aye wo wedding no, wo de aye wo engagement no, wo de aye wo outdooring no. Program na wo pesa wo ye no. Enkasa fabrics so be mo atade papa. Na wo de aye me pa chew se ebie ya ware na wo kwakọ ware a wo se wo kọ. Na wo kọ ka kire mo se me kọ ware. Obe mo atade ye nipa mpempem be ba be som wo no. Bie ni ho no mo a wo ne wo de be se. Wo be da mu sronko enkasa fabrics no no. Me pa chew wo ye designer ena utie ye ne akọ enkasa fabrics ne niam no atete so say hu efo ankasa esanso ye papa efe ehyewo a ubesie anya de be sei ebiom unsi ye wo fabrics ne bi wo ho no mo a opam hye baako mienu na eno ankasa fabric no eno ankasa ahyase eyi hwabone enkasa de no entesa sanse okọ a okofa de ye papa no wo dia besom ne manfo e ba chawo enkran makola ena yewo makola shopping mall 0243 4225 91 0243 4225 91 honomo ena ubenya enkasa na fe one no atimi adi enkomo me pa chawo se wo fraya no aboyidin uboyidin no ne promo code e de mawo a kire se eni ma no metete so kama pa e de mawo F Cancer Asatech Roofing Company eto se men kan chawo se dan no a wo si a wo pesa wo boso no open materials papa e de adi se adwuma no a e F Cancer Asatech Roofing Company long span roofing sheet no or wahudu bebre sanding seam self lock IDT IBR sanso ena sizes no from 0.3 mm ekopim 0.6 mm or nyina be standard roofing sheet or aluminium alusink galvanized colored and a rubber or nyina be accessories in so or ridge caps rain cutters valley cutters and or a side stream or sizes nyina a free 14 feet ekusi 8 nails or bebre no a colored nails, wire nails, and a roofing nails, or China techie, and a German metal doors, and a fake wooden doors, papa, China plastic T&G, or Nina B, our bar at Chimoda, on a Kia station, you didn't share with Jacasiano Echi Honomoa, Sanso, and our Kotema, old CMB Cocoa warehouse, we be no ever. We sign trap blocks, now the blocks that you call in Tiama Hotel Junction, a ho, and a ubi no. Free transport, free estimate, 20 years manufacturer defect warranty, and a quick delivery within 4 days, baby. I will be ano what they ebebreo. Ayano afre F in Cancer 0245 979 0245 979 F in Cancer Asatech or say a total solution of any roofing. Still anointing, okay, one pay, and I go so I hear some more. Baby, ya dro no ye de wubon krata mo boso e de toaso ma minko minua na mo ho na fe omo nkan ye ho na ye ni sa adwuma no e fi apom boko de
boko na so e
nyame adom ye wom na sesei no butterfly na eje na nanamu a
eno apai kra ma ku bio
o de na ku no sasu anase
dabi me ba no once order me porchim am so wada
wa ku alan
na de me pabo ya share me ogun alan kra na pay
wada na yesa
me de someone me po masamu
omo fefe no
dabi me de
abo mo bad apum boko de
happy birthday butterfly na boy fear da
asemo osmo ye mu bad we semo
mi aba no
ai
e ba asem
ni mo
bad ya wawu
ai ono ne ya abo mu bad
no ni mu pa ofulu agra
abo mu bad
akwanu we ya do
enti ero no kwaku
ti rap no
kwaku no se bibi abako de
enam so obi kwa me draw no to me dan ni mama
obi be draw hwan
mo bad
ento dan oh okay
yes
I see others
butterfly okay o say watchire mu o say ba no politics
okay
e chire hope trust and strength
afafranto
I feel transformation positivity
a lot afafranto class a game changer
nenya se kutwa ukuni so easy kura o omo pen na papa
afafranto no
jai se de be ko tu ni se wada se hat na bi shoe papa
ba omo ba ya omo anika omo ba pa
I see
ka omo ba na o nam kwanso ko fuma bonso mututu
na mututu
eno kwa se sunsun omo se
ati so mo po yi
apa franto sunsun no omo nya mu apa
sa
so hu apa franto wo fi a hwe yi bompa ya mampa ya
ada na wototo ala ho sa
na apa franto se bi e ka
nya
na ko baba dabi o
apa franto
na woni bi sa apa franto so okum so no
sa kwa benso
hwe okowura ne hwini mu a
dabe na baba to kwura so hwini
koto ne tumiro so
dabi afafranto kum so no
tantati amputimi kum so
nya cause afafranto no na taban no ditu to no zo hwemo so ni hwemo
ya bote dodo
ena nwum so awode bia nti obefo ontimi ntunkom
afafranto ne yemse nka omo ya bote ompen na dodo ala nga eso ko pe hippopotamus
Oh, hippopotamus cry.
One thing is that
another pong.
one thing so significant to me who you say. Only the number one fan pa and the you. Oh yeah, Alan Beba. Now, Mama Patricia, way too much. Or supporting you pa ma say, yeah.
I know.
A wovim. Say first lady in the meeting will be.
Okay. Omre.
Into omra. Enti mo bi enkomra, ye koba me ankasa me issue ewo ne resignation no ho. And ne say party fufuru say movement to say dey no. Ye wo reservations wo ho a ye nso ye be share kakra. Mo bi enkomra.
Anopa no watwe about community num ya matiefoni na chima makwaba. Biemba ahenkan 93.3 FM so de bonka tawdra badwa so. Na poso ene de ba beso mu medin edikwaku enin kusi buadumene afia ampofoa yeti akua afrakoma studio ye boa ye ho afrikodwa pew newsroom dem de hyase the chronicle de obokrata kai sha no so say ye kenkan ni na no na kobike edi papers no to Facebook live to betumi edi achi o Facebook live ahenkan 93.3 FM na duani edi achire wo ho. The Chronicle essay Owura Alanchamatin wato osona atwene eno akofa avafranto saa na watweraba ena biem founding members emma emu ba akoma founding members na zanya ba akompo founding members ni na say NPP de eye superior than any individual wa maya kambeka we ena ala nya ye resign ya ubehu NPP ni bia Osno is the best. No. Obia tre. And from one and then I'm all tre and Zimbabwe. The Chronicle, the Bokrata, anti founding members, my NPP, so Abekasa say, NPP, dear, or you super team obia. Now, Bank of Ghana, yes, in policy rate, no, Yamiadum, 1 2, on also 1 so, were maintaining the baby than a 30%, and one or dear Gina. The Chronicle. Anopay.
Mede Ghanaian Times the Obokrata no ena etwa so de amawo. Interior Minister Maakye Suafo ne da ha se na nasem a oka no. Oka edeman sem twerofo. Wasen sem twerofo pre kasa dodo. Sem twerofo ya amomtu sumunsusu. To da bia timisa sem troni asem yo ka die we die ayi ka ho. Utimisa personal attack. Wasen sem twerofo enjai saade no na ye kan nsemo a ensemo no enye nsemo ye no kretro afi o kan so ha wani saprenka semanka ha mo ka sem e ba nsana sem na ye o se otu ya eti abusia enwansem eda hanom sei Atanka Union for Secretary and worker say Ghana ha say no mpanifo ati krom ha na me say businesses ahodra e wo Ghana ha na ye Ghana fo bi no wonjuma no omani nku ho peso mu gu no omo che say broni dia no dia wa mani je ho na Ghana ni ba business ya wabie no wa mu the frustration ni ade be yesa na company no egu business na egu na fe aban na gina ni so enu nti wo se aban na nhwe na yamwa ma businesses ahodro ya Ghana fo de ya oman ne dia no yammo ho ban na atimi aboa alanka shenso resign awa resign every any pipi amanyoko ni mo no eda hanum se ya jakrata GT wo bobu ntremu ni asu kopiem awo pusiga ya a passenger for mako nkron yesi yobututuo mutuo pe jigi kunkum wo mu nipa nkuno ya kase yesi achi nipa nan ya yesusu se wo mu na di sa abonefo sam no tikrata di munsam so aba ko page 3 a eda ho no mo gbagayam we aye Ghanaian Times the Obokrata
dia me di troso aye daily graphic the Obokrata na daily graphic ena ode Ghana ye mampani na nado danko kufado asamaba wamfa ni mfoni anka ho ena yesi asma mampani na nado ka ne se o se wiase ni na akandifo se wommo na yentu non communicable disease na yentu ase sa yare wai eye tre akwa topic na yade ngugu ase bebre ebi autoimmune diseases, stroke, heart diseases, cancer, diabetes, chronic kidney disease, kan bebre na madu womo terms ni wes ankese no osteoarthritis any yarwan dosu ni nani akabom fe non communicable disease omampani asre wiase ni na kanifo se mama ya muana sa yaregwa we ya mmɔ ho ban na omampani na no mpo ansi na daily graphic dia ba wo no soro no mo kire se asuade amoma hunu se heart disease akumayade ene emubui yade stroke ekum nkrofo pa yesi yarewa mienu we ekum nkrofo pa ewo Ghana anum se nti nanadu nanu ansi na obi kra kire se hwehwemu abeda di se sa yarewa mienu edi omanfo wu pa daily graphic de obokrata na de sasemi ebai na Reverend Mante ose beti twa no emabru no omo edomakuma ewuram dodo ase womo de omo nkom too much na omo ntumi nso nyai woma ye addicted ena o chese sa addiction na mabru no eye obeti ho no ha adwen ano odin papa panti ha adwen pa wakasa fa ho senke be ya ye bibi ebe yanke yenye daily graphic anopay
Medi the new crusading guide da obokrata no na eto asodia mala nkwadwo kirematen yesi wadwane afri any pipi amanyo konum na kwa wakwa no so wase party MPP no wo mata ta no ahunu na no achenti enso ta ponkyere ne awadwo tia de okokra kratai ede aba electoral commission so say ensem bi ejejeba yankofo peso omode for electoral commission na nya no kra omoto yase aguna west office basa yo bi asi wo honom pinche bi ama no homne so ene ede ho so bobo electoral commission say mala minyim ho hwe na alan so yaso kopia mo western region campaign team ya wate wo honom nya asam ketwa wo moni abre papa wo moni abre na yes western region align ne campaign team omo so adwan ne bawomia ene na align na hu amane na ho amu na ndra no no kasa no mu yedede no enti western region fo so wo mu nyina sa bawomia ne wa na ewuo ho asam eda hanum se na stakeholders bi na asore ye wo mo kasa sports betin na ekoso okro ha se no yanhwa mfa kwan bi nto ho na ya mwa ho ban kakra na nioma ensha da nkoyie ti opeso ohunu mu yie intotos no no akwakope the new crusading guide the obo krata no
de me de toso the daily dispatch the obo krata dispatch ebo amane kire say World Health Organization wiasini na pomdin enkabomuko wo mu de aba betudwa se wo mu de omani kire omangogo Ghana mu a wo mu hwehwemu ne wo mu titifrimu ne kikabomu abeda di se Ghana ni na ye nam 30 million eni akiri nanso emu 2 million wo mu adwemu hawo 2 million ye wo ba ma twa 2 million wa say
we mu 2 million e ba but 2.4 million
okay say the we dia ba na America
we leseke
2.4 million
2.4 million
e wa adwemu hawo
Ghana for
na say bi shatade kama nam but am nya correct
me come kire wo okwa ka no asere Edio pressure wo krom
bobu onso nam no okasa oye normal
so o calculate ensi so hwese ndra me ko se me ko fele gas bra ade akane no ukura 50 Ghana utimi di yakura mabika
yes na 45 cedis medium
no be fele ne man kase no almost say kra 2 point something
oui
and so first enu ukura te say 150 Ghana.
Who feel man yema?
Aden. Enkofu ya ma oman mu aye biribibi.
Eni ma na ye ho toyon. Aba, eno ma ketinkitu na ma ye ho toyen. Because anu ma we ni na no. O tete sanu ma ni na afi so a eskamu a.
Sisi anso na.
Ba tia tutum nti no. ebe dwani ni na
o teacher appointment yen ka asem ye bi de wo ye yen ka asem ye bi yes mo de mo ba yes ye mfa tumi ma mo tumi ni nyama mo
ade na de bia ye de ye yusu ni de bia no mo nte so kekema yen ana mo ma ne nya standard
ma infantini am ne kasa wa he no
otsure mo ka no gba
ewe say you make na you oture e de adada ye
oture asimo ka no gba
o ye ready e be yi ma na bi ti kakra abe keka be ya adidibre afi mu jiwe mu hwe de mo ye o men mama o men mu aye troka ni twa hefa endra mi gina ho pa o si 2 point something ansa na we yi aye ma o de konso sisi anasa ego pele so o flash ya na shi
and then I flash ya na shi
o flash ya na shi
and then no cre
aden amamu ni se ni etianka mo ba beto ye se ni etianka mo ba beto ye
chese si adenyo enya cre
we nsem dede zama me be se wo tree
panto fanga mo ka sa mayedo
o se mo ka nya wo boa me ti e be serious aden sesi ya santi si omo sen baba betum
amuntum ni yen preko we kumi preko
o de aba nti hwese wo behunu ana yentie no kakra
aden
mama
water bill ye nipa ntimi light bill ye ntimi gas so aden
untimi rent dan so
banjo ye wakan de ania no kra de ko dan
tumi ni nyam ho ne wo ye de ama mo awia afa di hunu ni ayi mi entie ni kakra o se de ayi
straight ma kan ya lo gba
wabwa ye ba na ebe kakra adwuma ni be buso Ghana ha ye be go fa nkrofo afiri ba bia mo aba ni nyina se wabwa
straight ma kan ya lo gba
Aba no wa
obwa ọ̀rọ̀ akẹ́ta kra uhuru ni ho am akọfẹ nipa ba bo ma be adwuma wa ha
o ga che ade kunfo se ye be to ai mo wo ya mo dan obi a wo ya ne dan ne de light ne ba what bi da
hello
koni ni light bitun ga jom so mo wo ya mo de light ne ba
no wa de ko kai o wa de ko kai
ayi akwatia ayi
okoyo na koka e de mu ntie
ye be to aba no
trust ma kan ya lo gba
ama again ko ga no gba
mo be da nipa okure mu sa
e no ma waya mo dan light na ba
obuga do so mo waya
o ma waya
no ma nkani e ba kani esi apampa
ebi mu ka say eye anase story ntomanye dudo na waya
o mo twen kani
oze
o mo waya ya no twen
phone be si charge
till now light na mai o se post mbo my post
yan o ma me no asa ka bie mo ani enti o twel o tro
o twel
wa kanya wala oba
o trust ma kanya la oba
we unya politician bi pa na ne kasa o kasa na nsia no agbo
ana se ko ana se do ka wa kasa be ka ti abeti fifi
ya wo bi atu aso
okay yesi voma wo ne allegation na all say owo audio bi
so hia wo 3 voma wo ayi ma voma wo so kakra
oso wa de beba
o de na eba wo boa asemo ka bia wo boa
ma kanya la oba
yo yesi bia kandapa obesiu no ebi obesiu voma wo enam sa asem na okeka no ho na Ben Epson so kire se wakasa fa land ehu mame fa nunsi
the uncle and I made it to us so the amount. Eh, Mokashi wait here. You say Alan Cash divorces MPP. Hey, boy, ye jai, brofo kasa and then yes, opogun fanning cool, or my jawa dear. Some pratrans or my jai. Tia one some dano na asamba kwa mribi. Ya ka ya si akoku maami bi. Ya yo matwa na chimpre. Emma maame na to na nanwa wanse da ya si maame na ebefo. Ya kuno. Ene parliament fo gina asuko fa show. Etintim emmada. Ya de bo maame fo ho ban. Sane be ya obi nkwankwobo ne bayie. Emma nchechemu bi kura ba ya se oni obi kura di nkomo na o kan wanu keke se wo befu keke kra no o kra no wo se ya chi utum ha abusua soafo no na hwe ma ne nkwada ye di ensam so agenda minister da ha se en wo fufura sansi o we kura di shoot pay na bam maami bi onya mfie aduosia 60 years yaso wo befu enti o ma boni tuo Ochan ayi akrante omaboni tuo chese omakunu enti krata yi kiremu se ti witchcraft lawyer ye nyina dachi still ankwofo eguso ebumra iso ehwo asem eda hanom akrata yi ede aba na ye kase Ghana card no na yase nkyerɛkyerɛ akoso na nkyerɛkyerɛ akoso no ebim se Ghana card e obetimi dia tukwan o Ghana card hia passport e obetimi dia kwa UK obetimi dia kwa US ebiso endru UK o hwe wo de Ghana card kwa UK abibi jejo Togo na betimi dia kwa betimi dia kwa bani akwaji aduro dia abade a ene ehwa na betimi dia kwa Nigeria ene de keka hunti asa Ghana card so betimi dia tukwa na hu nsam na ye prekese enti sese ye ka se nkyerɛkyerɛ egusu ya ekoso ya wo mo hwɛ so mbetu Ghana fo akyerɛkyerɛ Ghana fo senia Ghana card no na dwuma etimi die baabi e betimi akɔ passport no ho nsenkaye no na ase PM ha o yese World Health Organization wi ase nyina kuba tan ya hwapo mu densam so omo se Ghana fo 2.4 million adweno ahoma no ebi atete tube hunu boza akwa emfa kura o chatare kama normal so na emfa enti adwimu yade mental agony ehho asem eda hanum se ya awreho pa the anchor the bokrata
dia me de to so the finder the bokrata yes o real nchama resign endo ya no NPP amanyoku no esre obi bia so bia nya botre mamoma no so so gra mo relax wonto mo bokra enti wo mo sre omanfo so bia nka me dan bia nya botre bia mra form na ene wo mo so be kasa time or the resign sa time na no mo so be kasa enti ene headquarters NPP for be press conference the finder the bokrata eno no na finder kro ya san bo amane ya kire se owura lanchamate kwa okokwantinkuri eno a okan se ono no oba no eni daso eni afi nyuma ena ode ba titu ne Ghana mabunu no esanso se 2020 abaye toye Ghana mabunu nko afa abato no mu 55% na se omoto aba ne papa ya ne nam 9.4 million votes enti oba no mabunu na no ho adwentwen to mutirimu pa ya obadwunu omo kase papa ehwo asem the finder the bokrata no ediaba yesi kozi nso ne health screening a oyi kakrakra wa screening ko fo bebro apem mensa 3170 ewa denta ehwo nsem krata yi ediaba eye the finder anopay
the bokrata no ana mede to aso na alankwajo chemate fra wa free MPP amanyoku onimu no ana sami jemfi Inkitaudie for the man National Democratic Congress NDC amanyoku no wada hasen watches ala no kwa we free MPP amanyoku no enti ase wom wo hwe de okeka no a ateatea ne ahunahuna ne de ekokokoso no ampani ampa ala na asem wom nanso wanye onyo no na ya agenkwa no ala ntimi nya agenkwa ema Ghana se de okeka no a na me ba e mabunu na de ande wo so on trompe baby or tray enti yes ami jafi so de no o kire se ala kwadwo chematen ka ho bi na ene MPP amanyokuo yi ama Ghana wiwie samu hakuni adu ti se nipa kro ya ate ne ho se me kwa akogina independent content kra de ben kan se ne wo mu yi bia vim bia ni batni ncheche mu nche wa free amanyokuo ni de eto asomu ho asam eda ha na minim se question na krata ebuso sasampa no wako o se MPP amanyokuo ni mu no amane asim ala no kwa okoi ebetumi aba se Kennedy akompra kwa Japan so bekọ no so betumi atene ho se mafia no tiasa mafia ne biemu a obetumi atene ho entwaso aka ho full stop bi didi akire twatwaso etikopɛ the daily post the obokrata no netum nchene independent align butterfly oda ha say anapay
mami free butterfly so na menko the metro lens the obokrata mu na yeso uko afidie a say yedi yi efifiri nipa mojamu ni ye hunsuo mu fi dialysis machine on se obi won maybe okokoye saade ni bia your price ana yaje sese sa price no yesi atum na eno na the metro lens the obokrata dia ba say okokolebu a na womoje 380 Ghana cedis asema oga he gas crown gas na esu hwe ba bia dialysis machine okoye dialysis ayaje wo sesi asi yaje 765 cedis 42 pesos we do want to papa and the same tumuni cross so say main we nangaza
yes no one say obedidi yi no ahwe wa pomudin yi
3.8
dialysis ne de
dialysis de
ano odin ano de to so ano
380 cedis now omode aba 765 cedis aba we do matum
say boom
aden
so se mon to aba
o repair machine ba kwa wu ana
o se aba mon to ne bom ndi e tum so e tum bom
na ndi wei pa so obi epeso koye bi na se oh David
obu on ma bosumi bia
o da so
tino imagine
enya sam ketwa o
na se 765 765 times 12
enya sam ketwa
765 times 12
ena make say enu
9001
enu an so behwe wedi die ne okwa
yare a chode anyero
na okwa sorry dem na ye yibi ma because dialysis say a day bia wutia wo de emfa say 700 cedis kra da bia o times 5 days and how dey times a week
5 months
enya sam ketwa enti say brabe bo afore ni Nyankopon mo ho ban na woto ho na afia kan so be nya say ho wasem
oh David
enya izo enya izo kra
ti de fofra ba ne ya wo bo so the metrolens na diwe ba no pay
daybreak nso ayi alan ya kan mami fa we kwankonsa police awamu tape no IGP kwankonsa tape no and yes superintendent Asare witness adansefo wa line adansefo dansefo e wo tape ni mu nyina e de ama committee a won mo hwehwe asem ni mu no parliament committee no mo hwehwe asem ni mu no yase wabobabo nkofo bi nso di omo ya dansefo ho asem eda na yase wo wura bi throwback ye ku yachi yase wo wura bi de BJ Day Darocha BJ Darocha papa yase mre bi atwam 2008 Alan Suban ene yahui wo kan ho asem say Alan sani ositie no obetete MPP amanyoko obetete MPP as want aya ka kira na ka chefo da to madua no kakra kwadodo no be wu ahyew ti yeah history I repeating who say I the best about kwasem said ye yo ti atro de ato a throwback ho asem eda ha mienu am yi free daily we ye day break the obokrata ni mu no
de ye di wie kura no pay ene benada ebobosome ne de toso adununsia aye the business analyst na wo just say hey Alan yesu asuma berwa we bi okohwe de fa ho na ze fa ho ben tie krata we say owura Alan chamaten so omontuma no onu nkwa akwanten kro no nkopɛ mampani no na afi omontuma NPP MPs no momram na hye bi fie eno ne asema the business analyst de obokrata so kire say Alan aka na mediasi dawo bododo na aso
ye chiri kuoko a yidi ne ma
waya
ye chiri kuoko a yidi ne ma
dabi
o se part ne wo mpe
ti so mbe to ma emu MP so won tuma mu e fa ho
be bi a wo se ye ntuma MPs president de ye ntuma
fa ho ben
na tirimu desa ho ane kire
ana ko ni niyem
ni tirim ye ne de
sakash ne de o ha
ono so de ni fie de obo wo
cash no ha tirimu da no
ni fie sika wo ho ni fie no sika wo ho nti no eno na ama aye ne de se o ka sa brabo na eno ne se eduru mi so a ne de wo ba hwe
we
oshia ayi omampani Akufo Addo ye wu misa no emu ahwe ase hunni muntia ene emu kalipo nom o mpeso be ye hwe
na ne picture ba ku pa no no obi di ufu em se no mo ye campaign na ntromo bi oto ye ne se de oba nanum no
ene ai no no be
ene o kasa keke kro mie na no
se ye se aduane shi wanu mu ayen kasa o aduane shi wanu mu obekasa enti eno no yeda ye rala na se na yen so ye bona chi dom se yen yakonta no yakonta ai ala ye yakonta o kwawufuo nyina yakonta no
ai
se mama Patricia eye kwawuni o ma nikunu vim enti yetai mama Patricia kirematin yetai na chi dindindindin na emum afafranto de emfa ni e chensa afafranto ni ntimi mfuru kwa obi po no
obefu
afafranto no
titu ni anopa osno no ntimi mfu osno no ntimi mfu osno betumi afuko obi po no
osno me nhye da ni mu ara
osno na afranto ka wo ma eden obodin sen
osno ni afafranto osno afranto
ni na afranto Krobidi
na papa yi resign ya wa resign no se o hwe no saa tra saa wan hwe ya ebetimi ama asem afo ase especially NPP enwo se NPP for eka se enkari waters bia enhyeda mfa nsunsanso bia mfa ma nsi obi ho no mo a o die hard support and as a fan no mu chirichiri mu a nkrofui be say you go explain tire enya de obete ase oye ne den oso ope ala ne de oye den ala no pe no enti ye ma me kan se ba bi oso no ni gina na ne ba gina enti ba bi ala ngina no oye den ne supporter obi gina ana supporters no so bi brenu anso wa MPP mu
yes
na mame ka se bi nkyere mo ebre bi oko US US abatuo mu no omo parties ni mienu ye oba ko efe ne se Liberal Party eno mo ba ko mo fe no Conservatives ewo ho na ebre bi Liberal Party no de ekoso sisi ya ni bi si mu Sabrina Winston Churchills ena oye na dwene se obetwe ne ho de free Liberal Party ni mu otwe ne ho no eno no nam so ma enkonima na wose nko mu di abatuo mu no omo ani nkonima no na nam so ma Obama etimi baaye no afei Conservatives na nkasa nso mu na maami bia ye frɛ no se Margaret Thatcher no ono susu wom ono so se ne nwia bi kuku sign treaty bi a na ɔmfoa so ɛma ɔno nso twe ne ho di firi mu ɛma ɔmo nso so edi nkuguo enti sɛ MPP foɔ no fa wei ne trazo ɔpani no no hyɛ da ni anyway bia enti no kwa wɔkɔ no ano no a ebetimi akɔfa ha kɛse de abrɛ wɔ mo especially ɔmo kɔto aba no tiewu sɛ ɔmo abatoɔ no nia ebetimi ama nipa nyinaa yɛ sɛ wo de yɛ ɛnyɛ hwee yɛnke yɛ humom candidate ya ɔmo yi no ebetimi abo mama yɛ ɛyɛ ɛnyɛ hwee yɛnke yɛ humom ɛyɛ Kennedy because okɔkɔfa Yeraba Wumia all the aggrieved you better say men's good customers no wo mu nyina beka say so no masa ko yi na ba de ne egu ade no because what dey hwe accusations ya Yeralan ɛyɛ before or resigning ye mama hwese me hu ne nsɛm ni bia one or say the arrogance of power has been a major obstruction to progress in our country enye no nko a me hwɛ ba bi o ka sɛ asɛ empanimfo party ni mpanimfo na wahefa o se party ni mpanimfo enyina akwakotai onipa ba ko pa achi
o ma hijack party no
yes me pese me hu na ka me quote no verbatim
hu na quote man
ewo eha
na kwa se bible mu nsem no but constituency ba ko de region ba ko de letter ba say yen wa why omunyi Allen Ashenso die bia free party ni bibia mu sisi ana sa release ni by
okay
region
omunye den
omunyi Allen Ashenso die bia free party ni bibia mu
na Allen Ashenso die ye de ade
se ni posters ni we tale omun wa wa ni na
region ben wo yen hwehwe ni mu sa
Ashanti region
Chema want to be this man
yes
arrogance of power no aye can be new
omun fin party offices
arrogance of power na aye can be new okay or say one the allegations in the bakuni or say NPP has drifted away from the founding principles that attracted me to the party Alan asemo kind no not to say one nhyehyɛ ya no ɛwɔ so de yɛ adwuma no say MPP for no atwon ho every home the party has been hijacked by a selected group of party leaders
yes scamming ankasa
and government appointees behind the curtain power brokers and some unscrupulous party apparatchiks maintains wakasa sada maintains wakasa sada yes enti se omo yo madwene se and I won see the all nyina hijack by unscrupulous blah 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 ni nyina no o se about from the kakoto en class almost towards one candidate enti ono ni beef nyina no oni ba womia
yes
so that's here enti one thing am betimi dia consolidate no masan dia consoli ono na chitafo no omo wo party nim still omo adwene se omo nko ombe wo party nim no is to change Baumia and bring someone omo for somebody ni problem yes and just had any opposition straight
tina omo ne nkrofo no makodi Baumia chi na mente ase
so declare so obe free party nim
but who said you no ye no sisi ya no se onso so wa ma abonten ama mekire ba bia wugina ye hunu se by extension woni ni nyina ma free party nim nti wo sound so ba bonten ene ebinim so ye MPs nti wa hunu a MPs no obi aba o issue disclaimer media okwa amate but me nka ne ho saa ne nyoma no e wo sound mo so ye saa na omo de bo wo mo akonwa ho ban omo be call primaries nso so so ati ase
nje na on to man cry say o declare
saa
say BC say bebre declare so man to ama no
saa enti saa na asem na akwakoye interesting times ahead
sure
a whole lot of NPP
and this for the who say you
MDC ehuru no mo smart unse we mu book ni dɔɔso ɛna abubani atebe na etia de bia ntokwapsi
captain mo nyina
ɛna book bebre antumi manage nuama
sana asɛm ne tie obia ben obia so e krachi ni obia ma ne ho kwan ma ne yonko nsisi no ɛne ye ne mame na mase
okay
neja ye ntoa so ewa ha de ubon krata mo so abusia twagu asi ye de aseda de bekwa amanuanom kwaku enin kusibu adum na afia ampofo wa fe ye toa so ewa ha analysis ne de draw so pa ye de ni nyina e de bema wo ye de ni nyina ye de bema wo ewo eha enintia na wa hye ne nso amayen ebi ni mo ahya ase o mo ka se eni anhwe yi ana de asie yi ni nyina no eni man hye dan sei sa se party mpanimfo no ebehunu ehu hia se party de ye de nipa ena kyekere ena untumi nsoso nka se mi wini aba with me ankasa me members tiew we political party a untumi wini elections with one kasankasa recognized and identifiable members no untumi inform wini elections floating voters de on kan ho no ono na ye kwotwe ne de ne ba ema ye ba be wini abato enti mu amoye MPP fo a mumu bebre no ahya ase a mo eyi ahoroba no enye nwanwa because nkomobo bi akoso wa asantemantam mu kumase sa nkomobo ne course ni nyina na mo se party no ye ba bia kwakwa die no se ya nko opposition a ema ye nsem biem tiewu mpanimfo pa no mu di sa nkomo no se ye nam ye tinsem o ye tinsem pa ena se ye ka bi kire wo na wanu odu uyo obi a utumi keep secret a ene ye ka dodo ne kire wo enti mpanimfo ni edi nkomo nyame adom ne ahobrase mu ara omni edi nkomo pa but wo de ye nkwa homa ne somra na ye ne Ura Kwabena Frimpong or your deputy NPP, one more director of protocol. Yeren and Concord train and Como. A Jaffrin Ponty and Can, and Opay, I can from Sinimachi.
Yeah, no.
Now, Apumoko, dear.
Stadium Podaruma. I'm at the patch, I'll be at the emphasis I'm at your boy, Minia.
Party headquarters, a Hoboko.
Oh, Boko, yes.
Na awie yese mo be yensem trofo nhia mu
ni kweturu minua
I see na enra mo tisi yura Alan wo se opoku mfa nku wo de mo party amamo no muso mu sen especially wo ye director of protocol deputy
minua message no mamini kan chia o na men chia hard working production team na menchia ahinkan for any actual for be show Facebook nina na min yenda ubi menchia original party executive chairman def and then executives na the national chairman the party penning for nina from the national to the polling station and all party sympathizers and chair ubi now no pay minia the enukura woman say me yenina no hadn't anticipated Sayura Alankoju Chiramatina, why a leading member of our party for a very long time from 92 to date. It be all of a sudden be decided say watching a home every political party name. Sebi yina papa when you be a sebu between a biwano a cassetiano. So what I say the TN say it be a decision is being near me even though we share in the release and now kind mushimwa we still be share the processes and we know we'll be out what MPP India can attest to it say this has been the cleanest, this has been the most transparent, free and fair elections MPP are conducted over the years now. In as much as you run I don't that section there in fact no any agony. Because I'm going to be arguing on maybe Madada because the New Patriotic Party is a political party. A Kaboom, bring you on board. At least your means and ways are all grievances are channels and all the first. And for the first time, in a national chairman, your tour baby, you know, we see all the aspirants call elections in Ebi and will be a Kokasa. Feed, including Ura Alankoju Trematin. Until now, or grievances been in Namibia, you would have just poured it out to the national chairman, said in Kabeyanka, the national party would have easily acted on it. But Ankusisa and were breaking off. And this is not the first time we be in our political history from the First Republic, about the Second Republic, Buzia, a contest here. What did the political dynamics of this country change in say be UP 10 be united be winning political elections 10 be and be lose political elections in 19 as a washa from 79 Oshe Hawa UNC NA PFP the thousand power lead and Kustiano and to the current national executives no anamo tutu nyina ne say you better not the new patriotic party. Will become a united party. In 2002, the current national executives need the elections committee need to recommendations that all the aspirants needed by in our party need to for the first time. Party invited all the aspirants, national council to come and make their case at national council. All these opportunities were given on the day of election. We could see there. You can't skew the processes because the aspirants suggested say because of the original party for the big man show facing person neutral hands and handle elections and then the party obliged and to say you are launch Martin I can't say we see for Monko elections be na party chairman and a cotton as a casa no castle be press conference or press conference yes or content. In fact, some of us are disappointed, and we wish Senka in Sisa, even though SCA, Kakra, Bekatri, seeming supporters, and say this has not been the first time. Yenya such idea, course, so Second Republic and Abuzia, Yenya Obima, Nikoye, Manda, Omampei, Kufo, Kraba, Bidi, Omampei, you say we could group the money others. They contested against us, but we still won. And in our political dynamics under this Fourth Republic, so from 92, 96, even 96, the vice president, now no vice president of Ampeninda that Rollins, Aka, Ekra Free, NDC, but joining MPP Kofo, and the Great Alliance, and according to Yama, MPP and winning power, the NDC so won the 96 elections. Even though your president said we do the year 2000. I the Swedro declaration. Rollins could declare on paying the late President Mills. Busitano Mone, or more Macano, Exe or Moho, Eco formed the Reform Party in NDC Lusu Power. In 2004, Beda somewhat bedridden more or more national elections were Koporidia, almost a command to Miema, almost got to political party. I'm NDC and winning by precedents and so I will key figures via. If you almost watch more free political party, more content, I'm a party, no, I win a political power. And in himself, we to say, be a connected with that countless of precedents. And all these okay. Their political party, and they still came back to their political party. Yera, media Kakani there, Yera should consider the decision. He will come back to the mother party, say, a founding fathers want to party now, Baby Sine. Party Monaquina be brave, or why ambassador, why a trade minister, or 4 times, or Mampany, another time, other contested, or elections, one woman, Nancy Bioko dictated, Cramponas will mercy for ma. We never anticipated other corner of and other independent.
Okay, but what about almost so much say fine? I was a party penning for no allegations, a course so and I saw on one Kasaka. One, we share about for even before our baby resigning, say on-call about for no ABM see femono. Or pinpointing 1 or 2 and you may be a course so our no few say, and pay ye. And penning for me, yes, somewhat say, baby, cool, Mushim, Bepim Sabri. Some report and I ready, saying you're ready, no update. Ain't a Kobasana say, and why you deem your kind, no, send your no so kind, say, even 2008, a course, but Okasa, Monfa. Or don't you think it should be something of great concern? I was taking into consideration this time.
The attorney said, Moshe concerns I papa Alan Kodu Martin Erezi ese ne agent ano wo north east yabono ama ni anyway na how omurezi say and super delegates near centralized no in one place na kejina yenkoto but about the presidential primaries I organize now where the MPP constitution article 13 is very clear say the National Council, which is the second highest decision-making body of the party, is the one that is supposed to always manage such internal, like a presidential election. And the all decisions we should always refer to National Council. And when the National Council composition, all regional chairman and secretary. Region, regional Council for EU or Council of Elders need beyond the count. And the party second highest decision making of the body of the party. And to the ones here the call, even for the first time and they didn't see that party invite you all aspirants contesting in us will be most of them but don't spend normal representatives by the queue of case but council and young to council decide to say young to the regional basis. What I'm saying ideally elections no regional basis no. I think the regional executives say what region they think can manage elections no. But because the current national executives fairness, I don't need neutral into fair into the current national executives no making sure say EC and EC the police and manage elections. No, I'm sending one representative from national to all these regions. I'm called Savannah region, I'm called so processes no course. Me say in my region Obi two about it, I make sure the person was arrested. So when you get all these people who have gone to make sure Sabani have two both says two and you can say because the arrangement I said the national executive they put it in place.
Okay.
So it's up to you the candidate to go and campaign for the people to listen to you.
But a different point where you had you.
My main point we see on that's what we saw question 2. Nipana or see a dear born and wouldn't say the national party asset fund amana taking care of or no crampa or my left to of the abba. The national party is going to take care of him and then the family doing these are some of the things which is ongoing. And Zambia we need any intent to be any BV or say we are you never say says I am we now kind of party no and to one among
now a different person America no say ye koto aba na said ye mo ankasa kra mo kan ye say we ni a super delegate ya yenim say omo na ekoto aba ni nyina no they are of a high repute enti nanka ye expect say bibi say ebetimi aba na opani yanka ye tu nani ye nya ne tie kra say wa ba be ye deputy minister pen na say juma we ni adidi no a e ko fam from grassroots no de je say be huhu pa o
enu tina wo hwe party at the national level now measures are part of their team because and yes me ko independent na me ya be ya enka your party officers become panka ruling now we were going to be sanctioned for things to be done because the DNSCA and say we should be able to manage say enema a course so super delegates no at least we have 1 or 2 near maybe who be around for the most super delegates no I have a pena akoye na enkofa watimi wakami biaba because it's all keep quiet now an kasa bibria ade ebesia ne say enkabema super delegates no cry west of than even the main election I west of than even the super delegates na course no enti anamututu internally and maybe I do no enye choka ni ehunhuna ene sa ane manna as you should always use the means of sober engaging among producing engagement proper communication among police kasa and ankaba boa ama obia na boafu ana na comment on yem aiden atoni yem but engagement is also behind the scenes we are said that national chairman party ni ene dia no has engaged all aspirants. And I think we'll be able to because we are aspirants of national chairman engaging, and all these were means and they foster Amobia who said yeah, unity going into the 2024 general elections.
I see.
Elections now, Papa no prayer criminal and hard will be then it's not been honest because elections not die anymore. So follow MP Ghana politics. Anytime be a UP, MPP united be and you're winning general elections. Anytime be a petitions and name what team were coming into me once to be banned. You winning elections.
I see. But okay, national chairman engage candidates ni nyina. So obe engage you behind the scenes. Na emra mo ankasa ma sha to ho. Untumi mfa mra ne nya adwuma. Na se ne nkrofo ya allege se ase muntumi nka mpanimfo ni ntimi nka no. Ya ye no correct because yewra general secretary and what de krata ba abonten no krampo na ye former general secretary mabere so and omu tintim to ho se oye known person a ukra position a eni kwan se oba abonten ba be declare o support ema candidate bia yehuhunu se empanimfo notable amongst them friend is saying Ishanti regional chairman wuntumi ene dom o se no mu nyina declare support ama one particular candidate any other people nyomo ye including majority leader na just say mo ankasa mo otumi ni so mutumi vanya adwuma o ana
and just that so what the current national leadership na e wo na and she say any anamu tutu bia as a party ni and see any elections in any jurisdiction, whether a Ahenkan Crown is about the program head and as a general manager and to about their interest ever kosoro. But it is how you are able to manage some of these and a boa Emma party near them and now say institution economy. It is okay the current national executives the party, they were able to even sanction chairman to me invite to the disciplinary committee. So okay, very well.
It's
about managing the emotions and we say, yeah, campaign you do baby no. Na in some kano I know shit. They say the national leadership it me invite Asma and Nano Matana Kasama every you manage some of these things to hear better. You heard even in the NDZ time also, look at in some
but see the more na ba ntime pese ye best take to more the no chairman won't me in particular wadaroma mo ye ne den
may cite series of examples for you to understand the concept and where we've come from and where we've gotten to. Until when emotions and passions are higher, you manage it. So say about Aluntina party taking decision say for the first time your party history enter elections of flag bearer anyway now can say regional parties because some regional party officers actually face some are with Canadian Japan, some are with Alan Martin, some are with Vice President Mahmoud Baumia. Some are with all aspirants will be our for at regional level. Say you do echi and I do echi. Untimin Kokazabia executives now even over Ashanti region executive structure and Unkra you assistant secretary no OCC on a coordinator to campaign amano. I can mention Obiane Nejuma Oye. So what at the national level as we say? Yes, we make sure because regional partners and neutral not taking entrenched positions. Then the national party should manage the elections. And until now, super delegates it was for elections. The electoral commission.
I know the Jeffrey Paul. What teaching Mama Yatia but say party national executives. Edemra diaba emra omo de ba ye no empanimfo a omo so di akotene party ni mu regional levels enyina yi omo ani mu declare mo ankasa maka se obi a obetwi nanimu ayesa bia mbetwi na so na bepim sa abre mu ntwi obi aso a eba be serve as a deterrent ama others ya na constituency chairman no ono no onye den
enye se party entry will be also and our party action will be also is the bone of contention here. The bone of contention here is that the elections should be free and fair. It's about elections now, and they do elections that will be our interest. And who always says, "We are only me interview national elections." You also have your interest. Maybe TMO interest, and will be our interest. But the supreme thing is that the elections should be free and fair. And the elections near free and fair. And no they here because in the end, Abani Akwakoto yi can be. The here say elections yenko skills how the kwako favor will be. Whether say my show interest, I may support Ahenkan, may support Mensa, may support Frank. But say support the panocra, the conduct of the election should be free and fair. And Obian wa bet me akasa elections na cause no free and fair. I just say bia na sabi you have your own intentions The elections was conducted free and fair, and it's a matter of you convincing the delegates. And when you a selected delegates, a targeted and a selected targeted delegates, you go to them and campaign to. Now, about to only drew or my baby, you know, about a nipa, and then to be delegates is a mistake. About to only drew, do elect somebody about message to my soon. And that was what happened. For me, I personally believe that Honorable Alanchira Martin shouldn't have stayed off the election. He should have stayed on because Obianim very well said, even though at the LX level where people who were most were rooting to one direction, and most of the campaigns was based on at the polling station level. And so he should have stayed on and fought to the end because the amount for even when he is trust. UK Prime Minister or resigning ma Indian in the Bayern. When you go to the Consecutive Party now, we go through elections in three phases. First phase near Parliament, and we leadership no need to say the EU super delegates no. Now a shortlisted to 5, and only trust also 4th. Second phase no, ASA and Kayato when we na constituency executives. Any some regional executives, any be a constituency council of elders have become no matter to elect top 2. He starts from 4th, be 2nd in that elections. No, a could remain 1 or 2 years. Obedi first, Emma then or current UK Prime Minister and the be 2nd. New affairs only be first. By 2 years, we know be 2nd. Emily starts to be first. So the fact that maybe I'll go to super delegates are already third, that doesn't mean that you are off. When you look at the constitution, it's very clear on about super delegates elections essay is to select 5. And as far as you are part of the top 5, then you are good to go and campaign to the next phase of delegates. But who knows what might have happened?
Okay.
And to me, in case of elections, has been skewed to no. The fact that we are so interested doesn't mean that at the regional level, between a regional term or something, man, a regional secretary is about to and a regional organizer, I hope you are getting it.
Which say sanity,
it's not about that. The most important thing to me is whether the election was free and fair, whether processes may cause suggestions are all the 9 aspirants needed by BNO party 9 young to Yemfa phone call party to Mabano to Untimina say, Obi in my place. Any penny arrested in Aquari, Ashanti regional organizer, or 2 years of Kotumo Pajan and Saman for so they are saying, ballot to Kayan Fantum. Mimi will say ballot ni amfantu. Yes, answer. And as a auto edit any who's auto many persons here. Any panel in one vote from all these suggestions are about on board ministers, government appointees, agents. All these suggestions were accepted and implemented by the party. And to fine, you're right. Sorry, even though we didn't on that contest, say Obetin so things on. So now what? We'll go through processes because he knows the party well. And that's also co-independent. Fine, wishing well, but meaning very well say the MPP as a political party. And I'll even be very, very surprised. You better baby Alanchira Martin even be able to get even 3% of total vote cast at the national level. I'll be surprised.
But so unya 1% to crown why behamo
to 1%. Is it?
I don't because unya 1% to create behamo.
Is in fine. It has its own repercussion both. Positive and negative I hope you are getting me. The 1% can also mean that any entity votes on one.
All right. My final question now. I don't know my influence. Send a mobile press conference. We are best about winching. My final question would be: say, my dream home say, do about one thing be declared here. Now so. Mobile san hwese mobile twa ben no nanka wasesa na adwen asan ba be kam ho a.
Oh, definitely. I know the National Steering Committee, which manages the day-to-day activities of the party, is here to meet. And I know they will be doing an emergency meeting there very soon. And I think all these things are all on board. Even after say or can't say what's stepping aside now, there has been a lot of engagements behind the scenes. And the young Kumugian and Peninfudia between their 12 thing. And information now you can put that there has been a lot of engagements. So we're not even wishing that. At this moment in time, Chief Alan Kojo Cheremati, me personally, Obi Onim Kwabena from in 2014, from 2010 to date, I've supported Alan Cheremati until we are just elections and be a national officer. I decided I will be neutral. I hope you are getting it. But he has gotten that doesn't mean that Alan Cheremati will go independent until. Yeah, I support 2010, 2014. Never put in a well, no, because the MPP first.
Yeah, that's a Kwabena BB and Yabasa about when champion.
Maybe I'm a for the interview now. What really me bye bye.
Bye bye. Yeah, that's it. Ora Kwabena Frimpong, yeah, NPP Deputy Director of Protocol, and the quarter train common. And then so Omobe press conference. After the press conference, and so Yabasa Tria Ben Peninfubium na Yenwong Abo and Komo. What shall we bring? Some 6 minutes after 9, marching any Jumediano Edi, ma Yanani Humra. Yaba, yadid yaka nyina etwaso na we ni nyina ya meme dia na mudi agum bebre za no hey
Kikim, Ayo Bonfrete, me Canada, Ghana Premier League 2023-2024. Oh, Ghana Bede, Agmasu Bede, Ubati Solid Sports Presentation, live commentary brought to you by K Asansu Furniture and Ahenkan 93.3 FM. Amafo, a few week Ghana Premier League, you know, K Asansu Furniture and Ahenkan 93.3 FM, the best radio station in the East. I come to my Ejekin cry near the commentary bro. Shanaso, say Ghana Hadie, say open furniture company. What enquina or what tables or what furniture at Yapona Fena Konona and what di woman and one K Asanso furniture and Canadian Mountains with you. Baby will be to Tunamo Equa Codiga ever furniture on your money there and one K Asanso open bed, open quina, open table, open office furniture and a bibia for Nichre K Asanso furniture. Number say you, Yawajoye, one money I ain't kind 3.3 FM and a few ways soccer season. I'm with the live commentary every all the league centers in Ghana at the bro. Now one edgy league, you know, and your Crobia Santiago to come and fabulous. Anna phobia never say down to the bones are rotten. I'm on great Olympics Olimashi, Olympians on Consong, Obet my Bibiana, Abiana Dreams FC, AJ Adia Bonabo, Mediama, League Champion, Ometim the League in Aquana, and yet, Ahenkan 93.3 FM, and K Asanzu Furniture at the commentary with your pole from the all the league centers at the bro. Saupe K Asansu Furniture at Yakwaya. Fred 0266 859598 0266 859598 for your solid sports presentation and live commentary. Shia Joshua Kwabena Ejanim and Kofi Ejiri aka AJ on Ahenkan 93.3 FM, the best in the East. K Asansu Furniture, the best furniture shop in Ghana. Stand up.
Passy was in social. Now Accra University Papa Menyamao and one Heritage Christian University College. Yeah, what am I saying? Stadium Nechi. Very serene environment for studies. A Denema Heritage Airstrom. 860 a Christ-centered university. 24/7 Wi-Fi internet for students. Hostel facility. 860 body shop for MOB entrepreneurs and also ready for job markets. For brand students need their whole business ideas. Sika Emma will be one Castle Numa and to baby school. Now a business owners and a laptop. Really programs Ben BBA accounting with computing,
marketing, human resource management, information technology management, BSc information technology, and information security. Osaya BSc nursing and a Bachelor of Theology. Wow. Mature students 25 years and above. And to me apply. AFEWASI, SSC, GBC, HND Numina. 860 is also running 12-month specialized master's degree program. MSc Accounting and Taxation, Accounting and Finance, MSc Human Resource Management. Accredited by Ghana Tertiary Education Commission, affiliated to KNUST and a UCC. From 020-229-8399.
Ho ho ho! And Penfose, Bembe so much no ham. So we some born top and down, correct? Na bibia dem a Enkasa Fabrics. Aye, TNE, Enkasa Fabrics. Enkasa Fabrics, the whole Ghana. So upe baby a ton fabrics, make your material papa. Near the palm tide, the ultimate you. A fena a corner, a wana beko. Engramontin so near. So watch him dining in Potemoha. No person with your fabrics, a tuni do doom, a betonwa. Bra, near trying to sell it what Emma wholesale price. Enkasa Fabrics, make come opam the aqua wedding engagement. Birthday party and I'm po a year some material need a na ehome asempetia men kan tenten so what top product free and Enkasa Fabrics one kasa no on kasa ho Enkasa Fabrics we e kwan e wa Accra and our friend e was 0243 422 591 0243 422 591 Enkasa Fabrics say mam work de akwatia oda manso aboabo asene abo any baby a we she bia say you pom ha and a upe fabrics papa atodia Enkasa Fabrics e hwa na beko enkran wa jibabia
driver jina na fa me ko obode ensa wom herbal clinic na me fa mani ko twamansa ko ka dientia obia de ne yade ko hodo mo a won fa ne yade ensa mba fie bi na onya na yaresa wo fa ni besi na me fa nko na so kwadwo ayaresa mo yade wo mo sa yade bia ha obia wo kwa wo mbesa hwe yade bi ti say stroke hypertension fibroid infertility diabetes hepatitis hypertension sexually transmitted disease prostate cancer infertility anasempo udwale na wuti ho saa wuti ho gria obo wa kuhu mesra yade aka wa to dem yade bia ha obia wudi kopie mo obo ade ensa wo mu herbal clinic wo mbeti ne te say ye yefunu yade ana wuti pai wuntumi ngo bema ana oba ntumi ngo oba wo ne bema da wo huntumi nsane wo bema wo de boss wa no agemu yade be ne ha wo na ase na atatai ana se wa hohono moja broswo ana wuni moja wani ase ye fita say ye nkrodo yade bia ha obia obo ade ensa wo mu herbal clinic timi say te say 100 cedis 120 150 ekwesi 200 Ghana cedis obema ho adura akwa akonom ama watimi anya wapom di amapa na say wukoyi folder wukohu doctor ye screening ehunu ba bia yade ne hye ni nyina ye free bitwika wo krom ha obia fo me hyan ne ho adanse enko an odie doctor no yade wa bene kwana kwaje ayalhwe obade ensa wo mu herbal clinic ewo achim odan ada eben masalachi so mills wonom pe number no 0532333372
Solo hey now by school be no nya
wait wa bo Missy BC your coach computer placement when you be
send your one final school papa sanka wo bo modern de nickel living bread school compressed aka obano anko be 6 ones
na minim
ene ma me mo ntire mo ya ana e ba ne BC 2022 ye di kan ewo Prim Central hanyina e ba ne UC Mass so the whole Ghana ye ene ehurudi kan aban pra boy abaso ye teachers for the good from crèche up to JHS ye ba je obano entete ye de obefa ne kwa se opesuku a omo kira ye pa de a ene na eye living bread school compressed ene wasa odo obano eba ya kwada ba kokra compresec wonya 8 ones ama oda MP akwa bona baso e wo suku ho ama the free scholarship
hey what do mean na school to say the met home fees
yes school fees ni ye moderate ketwa bi ekura obi obetimi dia babetua enti ni hia de se odo obano ebeba se eba se obano kra ye man scholarship ye be man be free ama na sua de awi
hey kwaku wo de cheme be won
ye wa kamoda se udru akema aboabo adotay junction ha e kwan na da ho na ye soundboard esi ho obetimi afre ye 0559 398499 and now say 0204 714040 ya sign so car ya betre kwada no aframu fie e dia basku ya ponso a ya sign e do mako the living bread
the best among the best
Ebrenaso Ghana Premier League 2023-2024 season. This is a soccer season. Ampenebeja, your best radio station in the East. Ahenkan 93.3 FM at the solid sports presentation and the live commentary every all the league centers. Bro, channel so Frames Oil, energy on the go, and then Ahenkan 93.3 FM. Edon to my bomber. I feel we Ghana Premier League, you know, baby, be a commentary battle from no. Yegina ho, Frames Oil, and Ahenkan 93.3 FM, and the commentary. Bro, Anuti, so we are driving now perpetual papa, diesel papa, fuel. I would be good cam, Nedu Bakwa Jojo, Nedu Abajojo, Mankwasa engineer, Frames Oil, Yang any affordable product, say diesel and petrol, ya wanted to form you be there, Anuti. Baby, be away of Shankania on them. Frames Oil filling station per Buffalo. Now go boom. Frames Oil, energy on the go. A few way, a Kumasi, Asante Kotoko, Matema, Phobia, Accra House of Folk. Never say down till the bones are rotting. Great Olympics, Olimashi, Olympus on Console, Dreams FC, Mediama Football Club, and Avufra Aka. Missy, watch out for your sports host, Joshua, Kwabena Ejanim, Anna, Kofi Ejiri, yeah, the live commentary and Bremo live on Ahenkan 93.3 FM. Frames Oil, energy on the go.
One day, no be 2 days. One day, only one day. One day, no be 3 days.
Ghana adisiye obuoba ofore amanfo emamo ache edeba Ahenkan 93.3 FM.
Mobo Ghana. It is Casso, or may you hear my then nam a memoir enquiety. A come there.
Ghana adisiye obuoba ofore amanfo emamo ache edeba Ahenkan 93.3 FM.
Okay, yeah, that's so I train am yakoton kraba shene so ma chen no ni dwumadi aguso awo 80 wo hwe obre no asima no edu enso pepepe na abo apa no pa nonkron ho ofre me obuwo ba ofori amanfo yeri aseda de call edi amafrem pon enterprise anope we kra yimu na yeguso ayesom wo ekwan sronkon eso anope elder frimpon baby awo bia no megidi se nyame adom mpo mboko de yesire nyampa so onkoso enhyirawo na abribia no kurukra yimu nkakra sa na yentimi ensom yeman Frimpon enterprise amen kanjira wa utie mi na no pay sese ye macro na wo pay macro no ni agi din papa biara ukoho no mu ansa ebeka bi enti free African queen Obapa Lily ene ni akaka ho no ipacho kwa ansa beka bi ye ba no cooking oil no nso a no so ni agi din bia sa wo paketo akase adantemu ni nyina ansa ebeka bi tin tomatoes you be brenu awo ho emo your local rice and your perfumed rice your bag mu de your kunku mu de said your penny biano oba won sabiti mi aka na ye ba no eye books nso a stationery e wo ho ne a wo pe bia say exercise book say ye full scarp ne akaka ho nyina na wo pa nkrovo yi wo mo choro ade bro no amfi wani asem ato bro no yi so na from point enterprise seven kan chero said ya wo pe bia no eya na wa ba ho na woni no ababedi edwa won sabe kan ye ba ne drinks nso Frimpon na nurse e woni nyina bi say ye drinks na wo pe say ye nsuo na wo pe oba Madarina hotel ase ho no anu a ubehunu won sanso e na wo kọ eye Canadian Bank wo mo dan ni mu a chimodan mobile ai ho nso so ubehunu yen e wo ho na oni aka bom etimi edi juma kama nti say your wedding engagement outdooring program bia ebetwi nipa ba wo se wo som wo mo no epacho ya na waba ho na oni ababedi edwa 0244897525 0244897525 0206473953 numbers ya be Frimpon enterprise na yetimi age wo so afei Jubilee Hospital so semin kan show say sɛ ɛyɛ outpatient service OPD no na wopɛ ɛno no yɛgyina hɔ no gye ebi a wo ho mfa wo wopɛ sɛ still a wosan akɔtoa adwuma so nti woto afa hɔ yɛhwɛ wo wie a no wasan akɔtoa w'adwuma so a ɛno no ɛkɔ so wɔ hɔ ne yɛgye wato hɔ inpatient service nso kɔ so lab no nso test ahodoɔ nyinaa yɛrane sɛ ɛyɛ wo family blood group anaasɛ type ɛna wopɛ sɛ wohunu anaa wo DNA na wopɛ sɛ mbɛyɛ wɔ hɔ a mommra pharmacy wɔ hɔ aduro bi a wopɛ wo nsa ɛbɛka antenatal care no apemfoɔ ɔba ma yɛde yɛnni adi wɔn akyi kɔpem bra wɔm ɛbɛwɔ ɔhaw ɛyɛ ana ɛwɔ yɛfunufa ɛho nyinsɛn ho no ɛno so yɛde ani bɛdi akyire yini nyinaa de afiri wakwan mu ɛbrɛ no so no sɛ wɔse yɛsoɛ wasomdwe mu nso a maternity wɔ hɔ a yɛwɔ wɔn isuro nyame midwives foɔ no mu suro nyame papapapapa ɔmo bɛboa mo atimi awo asomdwe mu a bɔne bia ntimi ɛma yɛwɔ ultrasound ECG scan ɛwɔ hɔ no mo ɛto deɛ den na ɛwɔ se yɛtwa scan nso a ɛno so yɛbɛyɛ ne kama de ama theater wɔ hɔ operation ne surgery ahodoɔ bia sɛdeɛ mo frɛ no no woba hɔ no mo ɛbɛtumi ahwɛ adi ho dwuma de ama wo na mepakyɛw yɛn scanning machine no yɛde scanne firi wotiri so kɔsi naase baabia yadeɛ no asuma anaasɛ ahinta bia no yɛtwe pie na yɛde yadeɛ no ano aduro de aka no ayi afiri hɔ de ama wo ne ntia na wahyɛ ne nso de ama me afei wani enso na ɛha wo a ɛno nso ba hɔ no mo a yɛwɔ eye clinic ɛwɔ hɔ sɛ wɔse yɛ mo akwankyerɛ sɛ wɔse yɛ ma wo ahwehwɛniwa na wode ɛhyɛ w'ani no anaasɛ duro kɛkɛ na wɔse yɛdi ma wo na wode gu so a yɛbɛhwɛ ne atumi adi saa adwuma no nyinaa de ama wo diabetes ne hypertension so ɛno nso yɛsi nkonnwa tena ase ɛtu ho fo ɛma ho akwankyerɛ na wo ho atumi atɔ wo ntɛntɛm aduane a yɛno atɔn no hɔ nso no ɛgyina ne nan so papaapa insurance no yɛgye aban deɛ ɛna ankrankran deɛ ɔdan aboaboa mantra bridge no so na wobɛhunu yɛn ɛyɛ no afrɛ Jubilee Hospital ɛwɔ 0244 575799 0244 575799 0241 784645 0241 784645 ɛno ɛyɛ numbers ya wobɛfrɛ na wɔn atimi agye wɔ so na nkɔmmɔ wɔ hɔ papapapapapapa with regards to Yera Alan Chiramatin resign free NPP amanyo kodi mu akwakote ne ho no enkomo wo ho na fila no ayate no yebetete bi ho kakra de ama wo yebetete bi ho kakra de ama wo nia enkrofo peso mo ye no agenda no mo amaso no se ye adwuma de a ebe ehu agenda no a mo ede ba no sa agenda no ye adwuma a ebe ehu inti agenda no one step eno amu atuo no akade aka ebia for now there you might think say Alan eyo no nko na wate no ho but agenda no ankrofo bi atena ase ampese amu push no the afafranto is stronger than apartheid. I'm telling you. It's a movement and it's a movement for change. And I know say obeka ya me be ka kire wo se enkomo bi akoso na sa nkomo no ebi mu susu se party no akwa akodi onipa bi nsem no mba gidi afiri ne nsem wo de me ba man kodi nkomo wi mra ye ne owura Joseph Potofi ekotwetwe nkomo no ne head of forecasting Ghana Meteorological Agency ye ne nkonkotwetwe nkomo ira Potofi uti enkan kan FM suni machi
ya me jimuso
na pumbo kodie
bacha nyame bi ache
ere radiase papa na no pedie ye ba wo nchen a ye nya ne ntie se ase mo ankasa mo de abetu dwa mo kire se ensuo no boaboa ne ho ano abe se 50 millimeters rains a ye hwe animu se in some part of Ghana ye betimi a experience wadaroma enchirimu no sign the city pa
yes I'm part there be can say they say I will minor rainy season no more you free major one and I come minor na there can say minor no e wo ye hwe nyame mu no ye hu say afi minor no hwe ya bedo so sin say na say afi atwe mu ni nyina no ona ede to dwa so bi ahwe ne husu yi na eja ye won su bi bra beba ewo ni mebeba ya say ye hwe na ye to yi nyama yi
all right inti we no ebe sha ase ebre ben ifri hinfa na eba
say I shall say that the can we shed the talk Friday no. Ono just say at 12 be we my no subeba.
Oh, okay. Enti mu da mo koso aboye nkaye.
Oh, okay. Bonko ko say at least obi ahwe ni so yi na. E ja say uni say subeto na. Uni say bibia wuti no e ya suto a e di o how ba. Na waka sa wa hwe wo so yi. Me chema obi. Aho no ba sa na wa fro bi na. Wa hwe na ko say japade ni. Akɔhye sɛ nkwan so nti na yɛde bɔkɔkɔ.
Okay. Na wadaromo ebu ho no mo ana mo de yaba ne aka ho asɛm sɛ ebi anɔpa nsuo bɛtɔ awia nsuo no ɛntɔ saa ne ayi ɔfrɛ ne sɛn forecasting no mo de ba na yaka but ye kan ya no nsi na weather no asesa ɛyɛ ba de na ɛkɔ so yi
mpatomintiase o si mo kan ya na weather na
mutumi de ba te sɛ bi anɔpa yi na mo de aba sɛ nsuo bɛtɔ anɔpa yi afi ye ka wie ya no ya ba pie na awia bi ayi ne ti e bo nya senketewa
and yes so say wiem na nkasa no nyama bebre koso wo wiem ye were pressures ye were temperatures ye were moisture ye were winds sa nyama ni na kambum and I ma isu no ye to and I pressure say you see high pressure and it say wo for people na low pressure it say wo sani people na maybe a high pressure will be no enya adia so bet me ato ho no there's a low pressure wo ho pressure no low ho I be so bet me ato nti I bia amaka say so bet o ko foria that time share no na low pressure moisture wo ho bia e kama but after 2 3 4 hours no na high pressure ni from an high pressure na be develop one in so no end to me through high pressure no it says so high pressure say people end to me through no nti the area ni said ya etina no ebeto obe entumi mba program no bio na nso na kata so no every baby and ever but there must be other things parameters which are very favorable
okay
and some a bit me if a pium it is a high pressure we ni ma nso no entumi mba bio normally yan so no nyina na free the eastern corridors of the country normally it's in Nigeria, a bit me up for Nigeria, the pressure is lower. Na bibia come a bit me up for Nigeria, and I hope you were US. Silent sonity.
Oh, okay.
I hope you were US. Like a drew US, as I say, a far epoca crackasu, and yet it's been so. Na say low pressure or one acotani hurricane, a more on I got saying a more sanity. And you say, I bet say, ma, focus, I man, you know. Your back why I say what advice on every day be a man 3 times a day. But said the BBC here and a man warning. Let me give you say the say warning. Your man with that warning says to get to you have a boy and the end space. If you didn't if you didn't it try a real nigga, I'm with with the it try on my about every 15 minutes. It's me who know about me the weather warning. There's a man with that one in India who took us over the American India. But say weather advice will be a anopa, my shivim nuna to anope me say if you are a sort of tall in Yemia Kaka. Na if you are boy on the day on your weather warning because on the fine. Meet me a son, if you are met me for Praba and miss advice for Praba or Saturday Jumano. But say a weather warning party and it is offer. Mika ABC.
Okay, and you are better as papa na ansa na ebeja mo akokra no mu hwemu a ene yen we Eastern region achimo na ne importer mu ensuo no ebeba ana say na tie
me baby wo a ye bought 2-3 o'clock record no obenya isu no kakra kede on mu baby and I see it as I want to mu hono de mu kwai mu forest area
yes
na forest area there is a lot of moisture in the same no bo anopa kakra bi pe wan hwe anamanya localized one or different localized that we develop wo mu ankasa enye moving system eba e bit we develop wo ankasa nti wo hwe ukokede ni asmaka cinema tem no meto say every day bia so to they do it to top remove every day bia e bia no bo kakra bi pe nesu na pa no e say wo forested area no ntino e ma moisture e ko ebi na moisture no ko ebi ma no ma esu no samba fema na atama no nti mu de ye wa hwem sɛ benye bi wɔ no mo
okay yera ma ye na sene mfansi ya bibie ne ye bɛsan ba wo nkyɛn biem
Midasi, Michubiasu.
Ubia Betty. Yani Ura Joseph Potofi or ye head of forecasting Ghana Meteorological Agency. Na just say atenaya woman no hwe mo brand some so say nsu beto say nsu ento na ye ne kwatwetwe nkomo no. Akuafo nsu ntie hai. Eye HJA Africa. HJA Africa. Or say hello my fellow farmers. Muntie ha. Mo worry wa ho. En worry biem. O dwen kwan abefa so a wo no bae na be so do so ho dwen biem o hwe kwan abefa so a emo aya na omo etisi no bae no so omu so mu omu di ade no te sese de sebi ni wura awu enye omo a eni ti wo dwen ho ho dwen biem HJA Africa ni CSIR aka bomu a wo de organic farming aid e de aba. Organic farming aid no a ye ka ho asemi no eye natural eye multi-purpose eye liquid organic fertilizer eye very cheap science ye effective eboama enobaye no esodo so emo aya na wo moto hye ye nobaye no so aya na wo wewe sei no ema nobaye no anu nyam eto nsuo mu no ofa yi esoni mu a otwe ni pie pa ne tantan so na mando bae no etimi asodoso ofa beboa ama wo no bae no ebesodoso nti wo obete so emfaso eya na wate ase ama me se eni wo haw bia wa apomden kwan so se me de ofa no kokobọ me no bae so ena me kokodi no bae ni bi ena mayade na dabi ente sa sanso na wo mpotem ho no enkofa wo haw bia emfa emma asye ye hwe nnuane eni kuayo ensem so sanso so ena asye ba ko na satena ba ko a wo mo hwe ye mpotem ne bambo ensem so Environmental Protection Agency age sa fertilizer yi atum se akuafo betumi ede edi dwuma a enkofa wa haw bia emfa mre won 1 liter ubetumi ede agu 2 acres so amana so do so 100% Ghanaian Ghana ha ya ne ye no 100% natural yemfa abefu bia mfrafra ye omayi mu ebia wutie me wo me ya hodo a yede betu dwa yi a ukọ ha wobenya bia to ne ya no ate ase se ebia na wode no eye emufuo eburo cashew mango cassava cabbage ebia na wode no ye ntosi efuo eye onion efuo jene ana wode no ye watermelon wode no ye cowpea anase groundnut yam soya bean anase oil palm ana wode no ye okra enkuruma efuo na wo ya onso betimi edibi egusu amana so do so pa atimdanfo ko Tales and Details Agrochemical abenase enso yebekọ Mr. J ho asamakesefo bekọ Farmers Home Agro odan ha ya ahoto agro nso yekwa ibenya bi achiasefo ko Bisky Agrochemical New Ebrimfo nso ebe twisty ebu asim ewo Magina Agrochemical enkokofo nso si yenie Harrofit one Crown Filling Station edi eni hwe abamufuo nso edi osebo ebeko piem ewo Francis Agrochemical na fe kedefo nso akomyaye mienu ene e catkis ne dom beko Farmers Choice Agro ena Maranatha Ewurade reba akuasefo nso konyame na aye agro kofodua ye ko Plant Gold Agro suhumfo nso beko hyiamu o Chester Agrochemical na buadua yakọ Showway Agro afi ne krakra mu no amoako atane ne dom ena Eric Amoa ene wo mo akaka hu nyina nso ekọ K Danso Agro na wo mu nyina nso akwakoto fertilizer papa yi a bedwa so asesei adasa nyina edi osebo esomu a eboa wo no baye ene yi enam HJA African ti enkrofo bebre no ahyase a wo mo ekasa bo onhwene kire se no baye no a eso do so no yakoje agbara agba edi akwakohyem na wo mu nim se fertilizer no ena eboa edi se adwuma no utie me na wo so pese okofa ne dodo beton a me pacho fa wo mo number yi 0257 315132 0257315132 number tie wo fra enkomu bie wo ho ubetimi ene won adi na aboa wo kama pa abusia empani sa okoto se aboa kraman ogina paso a na eyo kwabenane ne bo na bomo edi ni gina ho companies yada roma ɛna wɔn ɛbɔ simpie mie gyina so a yɛn nso yɛnya atofo kɛseɛ nya sisie a yɛde tena primafo ayi ase ɛbɛtena akonnwa kɛseɛ mu som kotokuman ɛne Ghana man yɛde wɔn ase utie yɛn nso yɛ company wopɛ sɛ wode wo ntoma bɔ yɛ de ano a ɛyɛ 0532 509284 0532250924 frɛ saa number no na wo nso so yɛmfa wo nto so bi na bra bɛsɔ yɛ asene na mpanin sɛ etuo enya kigyinafoɔ a ɛna ɛtoɔ ɛma no gyegyim yɛde wɔn ase yɛn nkɔmɔbɔ no yɛtoa so yɛnwie yɛ akakra na yɛwie na afei yɛama wo kwan na wo nso waba mu na afei yɛahwɛ akangrawa na ne atie nie Yewra Alan Cheramatin resign. Yeah, resign. No, he is not alone. You people don't know what is going to happen. And it's you say MPP for ni biasha. Say we are MPP. We are MPP. Me nana ye kuma onyane ba bi kro Nyankopon emfa ne krensi. E na otaka na sem me hwe osa hwene eni bon. Nti wodi amonyere mo ho we are MPP. We are MPP. Na MPP ase ye kama bakosem a mate me ho masesa me din. E be se edunsia 16 times ɛna NPP wɔn de yate yɛ ho yɛ wura ha yɛ asene ha yɛ pie ha interest nko a ɛhyɛ aseɛ aborigines wɔ sɛ hwan hɔ firi mu hɔ ba UGCC ebeduru baabi wɔn yi uni firi hɔ bɛyɛ UGC ɛbɛyɛ GCPP de nsɛm bebree troka ma yɛnkɔ ahoma no so na yɛnkɔnkɔte nkɔmɔ wɔ mfiri hɔ na afei fela baako mmienu bi wɔ hɔ no so yɛmfa ntoa so yɛne owura owusu ajaben ekobɔ nkɔmɔ pani uti yɛn kan no pɛ Maakye na umpo mbɔkɔ deɛ nyame adom yɛn nso yɛ ho yɛ na Yewra Alan wa resign you what be na unim sɛ ɛyɛ ade ebesi ana wote sɛ esi yɛ no efu mu kakra
shed them for me every day. Oshe 2007 about no eba a year. Pokra, young fan say, Oje mu edema or Montania or this one, a baby do ye no. Na or Jimmy home, say, young fan say, or very resign. Into Osha, a idea, I would move every 2007, you know. Esi enanya dia me eye no akra
enti ya behwedi mienu baako yenhwe ono ankasankasa Yewra Alan no anamo ya watuo yi ya obrofo kasa bi e ka ne say political suicide enu bi no wa committee yi ana we no wode bo ne ho ban for daache
me da wase na die ye beka sa bre ni nyina na be ye ovunu be se prediction die all predict say idia ebesi na sabri die waye baby abigina ne niema yemfa ne akoso ne die lekima ka chiro se enya die a yemfa ne ne botaye a osusu se obepese okoyi independent candidate obeye president be betinu abam sa abamu sa so die a enya na die wo kan no betinu so aye no kwese enya na se wa committee political suicide no
I see, but senka uka womo eni din komo asumu komo no ho a anka ubeka kire ne se anamu tu ye no saa na wontu no ana ebi mu kra hya ase o maka se na se ne senka mampani no an wo padi dia na se wo free NPP mu a yenim se oba Ghana ha ne mu a duo politics na ye entertain wa ha ade nka no wonko NDC rather than say wo so wo te ne ho akote say movement for change you say die you
Yewra Cheramatin behind the scenes and commodity course. Proposal be by a senka on a crown by the vines to young friends a Yewra Baumiano. Na proposal no one more a bit more educated in Chassia and Yagma. Na to me, near baby, young friends say the Tiene and your mamma near dear politics a chica crown. Nanka no na yet the best option pa at the Yewra Cheramatin. If it's a way the second person, and now say we are vice president here. Then yeah, when the president, you know, everything come and initiative you or ubiti media bar. Young fan say, president them are going to say the Yewra Baumiano president them man
or not lead some campaigns near the idea or botaya or person or mining near the other man can in a bit near them. There's also 1 year now years of the contest, now we said grounds over the years here or contest 2007 EDBC 2023 now who say grounds after some crime amma yɛmfa no sɛ grants of gaining and afei de ne nyinaa no every hɔ no ama ɔkɔ contest here the show ɛbɛba no ɛnyɛ good show nti no the first one from the super delegates ɛbaeɛ a ɔhunu sɛ performance no ɛnyɛ no ɔnim sɛ wɔtoa so ɛkɔ November 4th deɛ no a ɔkɔ no kɔ lose wɔ hɔ no ho a ɔntumi ɛnsan ɛmba mbɛka sɛ ɔɔte ne ho ɛno nti na wɔyɛ fast a yɛmfa no sɛ wɔde aba bɛte ne ho ɛnyɛ adeɛ a ɛbɛboa no na ɛsɛ sɛ nka that option of a vice president no na ɛsɛ sɛ ɔtake that option but baabi a babɛdu yi deɛ ɔmenka no sɛ ɛmayɛ too late ama no
I see nti wɔn a wɔn nso kyerɛ sɛ na wɔsɛ nka ɔkɔ join NDC sɛ ampampa sɛ mampanin no ɔpɛ didi a
ɛno deɛ wohu sɛ Ghana ha no players ketewa bi de tumi fi ebi akɔtɔkɔkɔ house anaasɛ obi fi house aba kɔtɔkɔ efi sɛ wonya kɔ join ne direct opponent na ɛma nipa no develop hatred ɛde ma wo ɔno nso so pɛ sɛ otimi ɛde twe votes yɛmfa sɛ ɛdi free ebi a baabi a wofiri ba a ɛyɛ MPP foɔ no hɔ enti no sɛ directly no ɔkɔ the other side no a ɛbɛma yɛmfa sɛ mpɔfoɔ atan ho enti no ɔmpɛ sɛ obɛnya saa atan no nti ɛna ɔpɛ sɛ ɔkɔ medal a ɛno nso so na ɛde nyɛ a party korɔ no ana ɔha wɔ mu nti ɛno no deɛ na kyɛ sɛ akɔyɛ sɛ ɔntumi ɛnkɔ the main yɛmfa sɛ streams a ɔkɔ so damage bie but na ɔmpɛ sɛ ɔde no bɛba akɔdwan mu NDC hɔ akyi a ɔno susu sɛ ɔba mfimfini na ɔbɛyɛ independent a ebi a in our history no ɔbɛtumi akɔ so an asset but wohwɛ wɔ no ba politics no ɛbɛduru date a mɛtumi aka sɛ preparation anaasɛ nneɛma a ɔbɛhia a wɔde bɛkɔ so that asset no sesia ne deɛ absent a wɔdi saa nneɛma no nti na nyɛ adeɛ a ɔbɛtumi akɔ independent ɔbɛtumi contest president as independent candidate na what you win amana yi
enti ono ankasa from the word go no onim sɛ onwini but onim ni aoye saa ne tie
from the word go no deep down ono ankasa heart letimi akasa sɛ why politics no Ghana politics no na wadi atiacha deep down it has no so timi sɛ enya dia wini dia ontimi wini na sɛ ebia the intention no so ko sɛ party or no other party na when you opportunity to serve the party for say 15 good years. Not say this damage na person course so at the party in say and you may be course now no more any this is the damage a person course the moment is what sign actually being if it's a legacy a wujan then this group of individuals and they put it to legacy in the amawo na sign up the person or more van kaiwo why is here the din in Ghana politics no meaning say nya de obi dobo ni din na enipa no aye nipa na kono no mo de niam papa bia dia so sweet no ya fan say be bia wona say see kono dia hwe ya sa na bia beba
na we no aba ne say na we say NPP for mo treating so one of the usual yibi enko ba bia ana e was so mo treat with a keen interest.
First one, and then sure the moon say MPP as also the response ebeba to Niama, young fans or Kayano, and Niama Kayano, we obi a objective, yeah, obitini, I can say, Niama do our Kanina and Yadia Vanzayano. Contest our cool moody reasons or their my intimidation and then my vote in a course on a by and large. A idea course one I feel in Yavanse Niama Yavanse course one home. Intimacy or site Tanyama with the reasons nowadays. Yavanse a guy party now, and yet reasons are a year very Yavanse strong power. They share the say NPP for ebebana eniema okeka ya ye ni reason o ma bebo mu to ku se enye sa enete ne mom no ankasa na wo bibi opese yen fan se oja party no no ko nke no ye allegations are making their admin na so mutin allegations na omo efan to so eye ne se wo ye nipa de why no minim se wa dadwene ho wa consult a lot ansana oba bisi gina ye no nenso so no omo emeki room say they can sell accommodating into no omo measures bi a ebi omo be taking said ye be ya or ye a member when you any other member wa contest for presidential slots on so many times in the length bi omo be could be in order to get him back into their fold they will go into that particular length no the reasons are wo gina so dia akone de enye reasons as say obia gina so de ko no ma na konko it say insults any sane ma de because abakra obia no ewo yemfa ni say a choice to join the party, a choice also to move away from the party. Any choice no exercise it is a for can some choice in here say or to aba emfama no but as a party there your call rounds at the campaign campaigns in the domino and no more join ono so yi nipa engino I'm expecting say party on the nearma what can any good reasons in there or more no such record in straight to say yes and it here name no as individual they still would need him or bar a year while masosoa the party can go on and forge ahead.
Okay, yeah, didn't come on sin radio, my missa in Sukwan son come be a air costume, Mr. Watibia. A bit more say as a party in baby I could no. Yakwa could dinkro fubi, which I want your mum fat. A bushia being in a dominant person, a jip part and a bosso. And in Tisanity, the almost bet 2 more party for front, Yatacrasy. Ashanti region no kokos bi wo ha wo mo so pese wo mo te wo mo NPP foforo na ase no kra eho ana muntu bi na ahya ase a ye hunu no enei sa ensukwan so nkomo wate bi
menia maminka ne me the way I hunu NPP no me hunu se edipaku bi age party no e de aboso about government in the area. Your government, and your party, no one party, no individual be any party, no from also. Now, young party leadership now on. You say a open secret. What you say, and your man, your friend say, you say, the national chairman CCA, you are 17. What position here for 5 times? I'm
correct.
Emma, a better all position of her, nay, known fun to say, your mom penny on some occasions. No one support on it. Open say, would you can your man to say, and said, yes, this one, Emma, young fan say, and no, young candidate to be a can say, if your man penny candidate to be.
No man penny candidate to a who?
Was it?
No man penny candidate to a ho, you're a sabi.
As I'm watching.
Aye. So, my main can is a near a course so a bit to say, you were short to the end and maybe a call with you. If you're not where a candidate, but no one said that yet. Maybe because one time national chairman or whatever. It's in a mountain pennies of 10 cents. A war, we walk at her. And now a bar general secretary so. Okay, idea. Young friends say you were John Wood winning here. And you bet my say, on and on my benefit, and I get an annuity. And no cray.
As so John Wood lose sweet. Emma, JFK, and now about the general secretary this year. I want not so now. Young friends say, then candidate here, no man penny, a pen no. Ain't you know, official leadership of the party now. And yet your mamma, the president, pen, and yet go near. Name of the government modia a year or not now or what the financing. It's on the government more a different from party more. The government in the your man penny, a very next year. Next year, I'm not the president for and only a barrier. And you know, a year or no, I'm buying now by no back, and so party maybe party no more. abato course on no more winning bibie ni ho no mo a ekire say eyo mampani no e control party
na ya won hwe ye reja be won hwe na no sei no mo kire se e ka party mpanimfo no nko de a ankasa reshuffle ye ho ba asem hei nke koso ato mampani si ewe so se dabi on de on se sen bia ekoba sanso a na che se as a party ni mpanimfo no yeso mo wosen enso mutumi nka
ani efise yemfa ni say eye say ya to abama ni say ono no ye president wo ye president dia finance no eyo no president no ye obeka na no na ye wono mo
party na wo party na ma be ye president no
ani party na ma wa ba be president no nenso wo ye president no mo party no enye de mo no mo beka no obeka wo die nyina wie otie wie a final decision ni die eye de woni de ono de nanim ekogina abato a ye to abade man no wono no woni Ghana for won kontabu nti o party for aka omatufo o ka se won tie a eye ono na ban de enti no mama ye mfa line yentu enti omo ka se ye mfa ne sentofo bi control ebia party no omo ka se party ni bi aka so mtenye no kore na mo ka sa ban ne de a aban no so de eye aban ne president no na mo party ni de mo beka bi enti de bi a party mu yi obi di na man as a candidate here eno na ze mo nhwe
onipa mo kasa obetie
ani mo mo se munya ko yi obi a de ba no be ye the president ne de a and the ultimately no ka se wi a one as an individual or ye president no ono so e wo ba bi a wo de beko enti no de o control party no so aban ne de ye mampani ne control na aban
yerama ye na ase ne mfansi a bibie ne ye besa ba wo nchen bi mu
me da wase no free
nyame nka so ho ye ne owura wusu ajaben o ye political science lecturer Kumasi Technical University ni ene ne kwadwetwe nkomo no enti ono so ni nchirichiri mu ode aba no but ye de nkomo a ye atie ne de ye solid ye solid ye nya senketwa mpanimfo ho sisi ye free chairman so chairman Steven ayesu ntim ko general secretary so eno mo akaka ho na wo council yes council of council of state is one hwan council of state for kura ni opani kasa wendie na wo party general secretary yes wo mo friend esuko no ma na wo esuko no me na wo be de
it is kaso menya ohia mai nenam amamu a enkoyi enti akomde
o three o transma kan ya lo gba
me ba to betumi aba na afei won so do adwen chere abeto so 0201944485 maami a wo odan kwanta ye fro abotre wo se numbers no ya na ye bo ntentem untumi mfa enti maami nya abotre me bo wie pe na ya ma oluma ya kasa na afei won so etumi abam bi 0201 944-485 and a 0554-820-910. Bejiri said that you matume boabo boni.
Fellow citizens, I ask you to be citizens, not spectators, citizens, not subjects, responsible citizens, building your communities and our nation. Let us work until the work is done.
Okay, me ba chodi ni bia kase free.
Hello.
Yes sir.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Oboba.
Yes boss.
Me ni jo ho keke, me dia me friend ma bo abaso keke. Ese se o kanu kre. Wuti me din komo e ma nipa na ko bato ni yem. To nyame nka ho, ojuma wudi no yakopon onfon ko enimu nka ho.
Amen.
Omo bi bia nko sui. Amen.
Amen. Yeda se papa ono de ode buy no me pa chawo su betimi do de aba 0201 944-485 0554-820-910 onsu betimi ede ode de aba na birthday wishes bi ankrofo bi di atfo ame wa ha ma me fama wo mu mi ankasa mi beautiful Velari Danso oye co-host GTV for one breakfast show no Velari beautiful Velari dance and then I would that edit me more I would that sronko you watch how didn't maybe say free
Oboba we o mi ebe ma taxi driver be gweni
you champion
Oboba ano pe dia ko pon stamp papa na interviews ka se awaye ni na akwaya fu Emintia Mr. George anye this company for ina any nkame asamre ba ma me number 2 eye awudu uba AK Oboy Talibu ya mi sa no so be win election dunia akwe dia ka ko tre ko di ne meko ka ponche ne ti hon 50% MPP na ko manya o masem but eka enia na account because on my penenda de kufo etufo the year 2007 to 2008 the MPP for munyi obi a sabi on fam papa mu onye full of tension e ma party mu but partner nya on my penenda de kufo enti afie ama omosa kokoyi de on my penenda kufo e ka ho asama na mkofa na bae ene oba ye enipa to wo san ana mo free party mu yehwe ye hotamakru yehwe Richard Amakoba mu Woman, you at a Kennedy. You should pay pumping for a second power more party in one neck. Woman, say because of a name who follow. Yet to mean try and would move him. I tell me, dear Alan, dear, I could be listening. We cannot also taking it that better what Trump wants and a mess number because so you trade minister. They say also you can be much now. You have yourself one to one factory, you know. Well, yeah, I don't want any free party anymore. The year 2020, Uncle and Nekufado, SME, and at that time, I was so resigning. But in case, answer my penetrator to form to no fun them. A difference from where to no first watching a free party anymore. Nemono, and yang and this before the West Fremon as a Yana Pala, Davy, you never did before to me yet, because someone of them will look at Tom. At the end, yeah, say Alan and Fremont, yeah, Baba Tiada, Davy, many are Georgia, and Crawford, your bridge man of a year and Mayaka radio soon. Yeah, but a binding Ama, Ghana for a member of Bonia. Aye na Kufado ene ba omia ede magana for atinye ala na wefiri mu ana ye de be campaign na mum membo a ekoso a enye ene na ye to petrol 14 cedis na petrol ye 2 cedis na ye to dokon 1 cedi na dokon ye bona 5 cedis na efiri akomi krom atim akin kansu na ye 3 cedis ene ye 17 cedis ati sa eno ana ye si an ye da be Ghana for me ye da for say a just that packet ana motono ye to no 2.5 and 14 million. Ati anoni ye dey be campaign ama many a Georgia yetumi abonese ama Ghana for
yate
asamna samako aba ede ama omanpene da John Dramani Mahama oboba woni yakopon adwuma anopai
nyame enka won so ho we see a friend Jagos for the free samwe mu no de aba no kire se hwe enkrofo te sala na resign no omo ahyase omo boni ntutuo enkosi hwe no se mo de mo ntra ho na 2024 asante mantem mu be hunu se ne o beto aba no e ba to odi ne bia kase free. Yes, sir. Encounter so.
Where at an avoid in any back at Massene.
Yentio.
You're going to Kakla. I have been moved flower Muyano now a petrol one day. Then you know what I like to. In the Nano Makayaka home. But at the other times, Yano, baby or Sujan, a honey beggar. And to say up a Franco, say to you, say, Hayo, Yadia. The can't jump to people, that's a holding. Now we are testing the other floor into the Macatro Biano, Yamma.
Yeah, that's Sibi would you be on so free?
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Pacho Dr. Sumoni.
Dr. Pacho, ain't you?
Pacho, because I feel like more than Tiamo Johnson.
Yes, sir.
More back Yo, yeah, now I didn't be buried with Yamaka come and go more than Mambo Bonnie. Now, this is Amambo Bonnie and it's me saw a Dianaman Qualadi. A school for baby organ. If you are down class, a secondary school, I want to order. Now the whole is still rigid. And the whole region organ has a Dianian Qualadi and a bar. Yes, it's any boy saying, a Riani boy saying, a Rumidi boy saying, lights are almost off, a sea or monum. Nina no, a Yamambo Bonnie. A chief may say, a Mambo Papa no, Mobile, almost a Janima Qualadi. On my Padima Hama. Or tell you, I'm a Calabia or Ghana had that. Limitano. It's Bonino, and it is the Moma Utuno. Bonino, Anna Moma, Eco School Frino. Bonino, the Apamata, the Mamma Shadow, and the Yatunkosia, and Yetiaka, a Mamma Medino, and the Waka Samonia with him. A Mambo Bonino, and no Namoma, a young Fasono. A Mambo Bonini, a Tutu or Maimu, That's the way say what they are again bonnet and out of your memu. It's the Ubi Bay and Offer. The one who will be a ya, will be soon with the old wire. So what you say, that's also one who will be a ya, will be soon with the old wire. And you the South to me, I'll pay, you'll be a baby a time, and the one cast I only with Tribua and the baby.
Yati.
And no, Anna, a good school.
Yeah, that's it. I just want to see me brave. You know, chat to you because I'm free.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
You say, which I'm a cadadon.
Maybe I show you into your boss.
I'm in counted in my fire, no more what did be. If I tell Alan resign. I had him. You'll be at it. Not parting in Casa. You got out of your family. I can't force you any woman. The benefits are done and Casa. Now, I'm not doing no more party.
Yate. Yen so yeah that's say. What for so remu din be akase free.
Because I feel when you feel black.
Mpacho yentio.
Matema me can say I like feel people maybe I can maybe enyame there. You say 24 say and some of 4 kwate e fedo do. Na yen ati asifo. Na titi MPP 24 no. All pe mase ho mase ne hodo do. NDC ati dum defia. I did one fine chairman we as we want to match your home. What did we be near Martin home? You get near Martin home. At the end of the phone, over your idea. The chairman be
Yate, yada, CB Bray. Yet me for fref will be a Madara Amon Franchain. Nana K, it's your birthday today. A glorious happy birthday going out to you, Nana K.